I insist. Mama C is wrong. How can she expect us to work under strangers when we should be in charge? My husband, our rights have been denied. And we must fight for our rights.
Yes. I can't be under those fools there. Never. My husband, I urge you to fight. That company belongs to the both of you.
Exactly. We must withdraw completely. I don't know about anyone else. As for me, I refuse to go to work henceforth. In fact, we all should go on an indefinite strike until our demands are met.
That is what we want.
It's okay. I've heard your opinion. I've heard what you guys said. My brother and I will actually look into it and know what we'll do about it.
Enough is enough.
Understand? You're not saying anything.
What would you have me say? I mean, I'm okay with whatever decisions you guys are taking. Hence, it's going to make her release our inheritance to us. It's okay.
Exactly.
So good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss Kate.
I'm done with every account details of Macca's supermarket.
Okay. Leave it there.
So, something has been bothering me.
Okay. Let it out.
Raymond, Anderson, and their wives haven't been coming lately. I wonder what the problem is.
Well, their absence from work has been giving me cause to worry. But I've not been able to call Madam Charity to inform her. I couldn't call her because she has been ill.
So please, do well to call her to know the situation on ground. Please. I beg to take it away.
Sure, I will.
Yes,
Okay, close the door behind you.
Come in.
Mama, see. Mama, sister, no, see, I don't do America Wonder for you. This is America Wonder, Morinka. I want to make you take them so that you go there strong. Dagara, take.
I see. This doesn't look like moringa. There's something else in this thing.
Yes, this moringa revive. Nampuru uyayak. I don't know what they record them for increase, but uyayak we record them. It's good for the body. Uyayak.
Is that not somebody's name?
No. It is bra. Now you come make and they brag like this.
Mercy. You talk too much.
Sorry. Stand up. Small.
Oh, Jesus.
Small.
I hope it's not bitter.
No, you know they be that. It is like Rifton tea.
Really?
Rifton. That Rifton tea now you dey right. Okay, yes.
Mercy.
Ma.
Shut up.
Don't they walk? Sorry.
It's okay.
No, Mama, see, you need to feed in seeds.
Okay, I'll feed in seed. Just keep it on the... Yes, please.
Well, you just say you go finish them.
I promise.
Mati, finish them so that you go to America Wonder. You go down this strong. Come back to us.
Mercy.
Ma?
Get out.
Okay, ma. And I see finish them, but... Okay, sorry.
It's ringing.
Mr. Richard. Hello.
Hello, Mama C. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Richard.
How's your head?
I'm getting better, thank you. And how are you? How's everything going on in the office?
Work is fine. But we are having a little challenge in the company now.
Challenge? What challenge, please?
Mama C. Your two sons, Raymond Anderson and their wives, they have been absent from work for a week now.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Why? Did anything happen? Did you upset them or something?
No, I don't have any problem with them. I even asked my colleagues if any of them had any issues with them, and the answer was no. It was actually Kate that suggested I should call you, so I decided to call you to intimate you of the events happening in the company now.
No problem, I'll get back to you, okay?
Okay, ma.
These children always kill me.
Family, I invited us all here today for us to rub minds and, look at how the company was run in my absence.
The work is going smoothly.
Yeah, exactly. It's moving smoothly. You see, Mom, we can't stop thanking God Almighty for giving us such a company like Crystal Table Water. Such a good company.
Crystal Table Water is something else.
I'm telling you.
It's something else. So we thank God for that brand. And now to my daughters-in-law, is there anything you people would like to contribute? Daniela?
Well, our husbands have said it all.
Kosi?
Mama C, in all honesty, we haven't been to the office for a week now.
I think it's more than a week. What are you saying?
Give or take,
Are you kidding me? And you're talking about this like there's no problem with that? Oh my God, I can't believe this. You mean I left the company in your care? And for a week and whatever, you've not been to the office? Oh my God. What kind of children are you? You are irresponsible. Yes, that is what you are. I can't believe this.
Did you actually invite us here to insult us? And I know I'm the first son of this family. I don't acknowledge your
And honestly, I think, Mom, you brought us out here to insult everyone. I'm taking this personal.
Personal. Is that what you are? Aren't you ashamed of yourselves? No, this is totally not acceptable. Maybe diobala, maybe whatever. It's not acceptable. And I won't take it. Now tell me, both of you, how you intend to take care of this company in my absence. Remember, I put you there in the first place so you would learn the trade from the beginning. And now you're telling me you did not go to the office? How do you not take care of the rest of my companies when I'm not there?
We can. We can even do better than those
Way
traders.
better like that. Way better. We're actually professionals. We didn't want to tell you all this while.
How can you be professionals in a trade that you've not learned? This is not about what you studied in school. It's about practicality.
Mom, did you actually call us out here to heap insults on us?
I come up, Alibaroy.
In fact, let me make it clear right now. If I am not going to be the manager of that company, of my father's company, I will never go to that office again. No, because I will not work under Richard.
Ma'am.
Or not possible. This is my father's company.
Yes.
You under somebody in my father's company. What the hell? Damn.
It's either you work under Richard or you get out.
No, Mom, what are you even saying? There's no way I can come to that office. It's not possible. The only reason I can come there is when I am being offered with a position that befits my personality. Baby, when you look at me, what do you see?
Oh, I see the manager.
The manager, right?
Yes, my love.
Well, that's the only position I can manage, because if I go for the CEO, Raymond will be like I'm contesting with him. So he's the CEO, then I'm the manager. You see? Well, Mom, you're looking at the manager, so address me as the manager.
Which manager? The only thing we've been praying for you to manage is your wife. And you've not done a good job on that.
Isn't she looking good?
Oh, with my money.
Well, I've listened to our husband speak, and I am in full support. We cannot work under strangers.
I'm talking of my sons. You're talking of you working under a stranger. You're obviously a stranger here. And you, Obuleke.
Mom, don't call me.
No, you passed with pass.
No, not pass.
And you're seeing yourself as a manager.
They changed my results, Mom. They changed it.
If I'm not going to be the manager, Mom, forget it.
Oh, good riddance to bad rubbish. You're forgetting your handbag.
Babe,
My manager.
I'm sorry, please.
All right, darling.
Just
stand behind me. Yeah, manager.
We're going to be in charge.
All right. We're going to start producing sachet water.
Oh, excuse my manager, please.
As soon as we resume work,
Yes,
we'll
yes,
fire everyone in the company.
No,
I will fire everyone in that company.
To think that one can actually give birth to a set of fools.
Mom, how could you sign this? How on earth could you sign this? How?
I don't owe you, nor anyone any explanations on how I run my company. Now you get that into your thick skull.
Mom, I'm the first son of this family.
Oh, really?
Yes, I should be the one saying what happens in that company and not you.
Oh, I see. Like really?
Really, Mom? Yes, I am the first son of this family. And I should take over from where my father stopped.
Hello, manager. How are you? You know how I told you that Crystal Water Company should be run? Kindly adhere to all the instructions. To the letter. Do you understand me? Better.
Mom, this is not good for me at all. This is not good for me at all. You can't be bossing everybody around in this house and in the office also. You can't be doing that. You're holding on to my father's will. That's more reason it's not been read yet.
Everyone would adhere to what happens in that company. Do you understand me? Until your father's will is read. Now will you get out of my sight?
Mom, we need to sort things out.
You and who? Okay. Since you do not want to leave, I'll leave the place for you.
Look, as an issue, go away.
Okay, since you don't want to go, I will. I have something in the kitchen.
Mom, I don't like the way things are going on in this house. I am the first son of this family. I still maintain it, and you know it. Mom, I'm going to do
Hold on a minute. Are you blocking my way?
Mom, I'm going to do
Diobala, are you blocking my way? I will tell you Diobala not.
Mom, could see this thing, no? Mom, could see this thing, I don't like it.
Don't worry, I like you when the time comes.
You now come say pass, coop and the staircase. Everything here belongs to me. I should be saying what happens here. Mom, why did you authorize this? Why? This will not happen. It's not going to happen when I'm still alive.
Oh, at least you see what I have been telling you, Raymond. Your mother has bitten more than she can chew this time.
Julia will not let this lie low. I am not going to allow this happen. I don't even care whose ox is God. Because I am going to take what is rightfully mine.
Agreed.
Whether she likes it or not.
Agreed. Because she's doing everything she can to deprive you of getting your inheritance. But that's okay. Just calm down. Tell me, what happened at the company today?
You can imagine. The manager refused signing the money even when I asked of it. Even when I went to the accountant office, same thing still happened.
Are you serious?
Yes. They emphatically told me that my mother signed this.
I can't seem to figure this out. You mean she signed
She prepared it and signed it.
Dear esteemed staffs of Crystal Water Company, it is with deep sense of loss that we regret to announce the passing unto glory of our director, Chief Wilson Okonkwo. As accordingly, everything still remains same. The company retains its star. Secondly, no money is permitted to leave the company without following due process. That has been approved by the director / chief executive officer in the person of Chief Mrs. Charity Okonkwo. Signed Chief Mrs. Charity Okonkwo, director / CEO. What?
Yes, you've seen it. When I will start, they will say I'm not behaving like the first child.
No. You are the first son of late Chief Wilson, okay? You are the one who should take over. You are the one who should be in charge. Don't let them tell you otherwise.
My mother is just getting on my nerves. They're really getting on my nerves.
They don't want to work and earn salary. All they want to do is scatter. A business or businesses that my late husband and I took years to build. They just want to scatter everything within a day. Even my late husband would frown at this. He would obviously turn in his grave. I can't allow this to happen. What is wrong with Raymond and Anderson? Why are they so greedy? Nobody wants to work hard. They just want to grab. Life doesn't work that way. Hello, Barrister Frank. How are you? Well, good to know that you're good. I am equally good. Well, I called to, talk about this issue of my late husband's will. Please, I beg you in the name of God, do not hand over that will to my sons or anyone else. That's good to hear. That means you cannot go against a dead man's will. Okay. Thank you so much. Do have a blessed day.
So, gentlemen, what do I owe this visit?
Barrister Frank, thank you so much. My name is Raymond Okonko. Seated with me here is my brother, my younger brother, Anderson Okonko. We are the sons of Chief Williams. As a matter of fact, the only sons of Chief Williams.
Both of you are welcome.
Thank you, guys. Barrister Frank, I am the first son of my father, Chief Williams, and I'm here for my father's will. I want my father's will to be read.
See, given the fact that it's been like 5 years that he passed on, we feel the will should be read by now.
Well, both of you are here asking for your right. It's fine. But your father, Chief Wilson, stated categorically that his will must be read 6 years after his death. According to him, by then, both of you will be physically and mentally fit to take over.
That is just not a word. Barrister, I demand that my father's will, Chief Williams, must be read.
Mr. Raymond, I cannot go against the will of my client, whether the person is alive or the person is dead.
That nonsense. What are you saying? All we need you to do is to read the will, and that's just it. And that you must do. Come out of this place, please. This is not making sense anywhere. It doesn't make any sense.
Barrister Frank, I am the first son of my father. That will must be read. I'll be back.
Raymond, you're too cool for my liking.
What would you have me do? I'm on it. I'm doing it already. I'm trying to fight for my inheritance. Do you get that?
I understand you're fighting for your inheritance, but you have to put in more energy. Apply force. If you don't do something now, I'm afraid you're going to lose everything to that selfish mother of yours.
Then what do I do? That's the question.
Fight. My husband. Fight for your inheritance.
Julian, don't forget that it's my mother we're talking about here. You don't expect me to go fight my mother. That would be a very awkward thing to do.
Don't tell me you have any plans of letting her deny you of what is rightfully yours. My husband, you have to possess your possession.
I'm already doing that.
Like this? Come on, Ray. You have to push harder. You have to apply force, put in more energy. I mean, this house, the company, the shares, they all belong to you. You are the first son of late Chief Wilson.
What about my brother?
Well, you could give him a portion from your inheritance. That's if you wish.
This is raising so much dust already, and it's not supposed to be so.
Your mother wants it that way. So she should be prepared for what's about to hit her.
You know, what I don't understand is why is my mother proving so stubborn? Why is she acting so stubborn? I mean, why wouldn't she just go ahead and release the inheritance so that there can be peace in this family? Why is she holding the whole thing backwards? Why?
The fact is, I'm actually tired. I am exhausted from this whole chaos that is going on in this family. It's tearing me apart.
I have told you what to do.
I can't do that. Did you realize that the woman in question here is my mother? The woman you're talking about here is the woman who gave me life. The woman who made me to breathe today. I mean, it's morally and socially wrong. I can't go fighting my mother for any reason. I mean, it's unjustifiable for any reason.
The same woman that is standing between you and your inheritance. That woman is a witch.
Can you stop it?
Don't tell me what stop.
How dare you refer to my mother as a witch? What has come over you? Please, I don't want it. For any reason, don't you ever refer to my mother as a witch.
Go on. Go on and protect her. A woman who clearly does not want your happiness. A woman who does not even care how you feel about this whole thing. Go on, protect her.
I wouldn't have you refer to my mother as a witch. Not even in this lifetime. You can say whatever you want to say, express yourself in whichever tone you want to, but you going to the extent of referring to that woman as a witch is a slap on my own face. Don't do that, please, I beg you.
Okay. If she is not a witch, then tell me what she is.
You're daring me. Kosi, respect this. Do not push me to the wall. Just respect this. Don't you refer to her as a witch. Please. Anyway, whatever this is, I and Raymond will certainly find a way around this whole thing so we can resolve this whole problem of our inheritance. But you calling my mother a witch is a slap on my face, and I wouldn't appreciate that.
I have always known. I have always known that you're a coward.
Kosi!
Listen, if you do not go and get your inheritance, forget about touching me ever in this house. You will not enjoy me as a woman ever again.
I am only doing my husband's bidding. And these children are already going crazy. What am I supposed to do? Nothing. Just that I have to do what I have to do.
Mama, see, this is not nice now. Eh? Oh, so this is where you're hiding. Anyway, we are here.
Shut that trap of yours, else I'll shut it for you.
We are here to get what rightfully belongs to us.
And what rightfully belongs to you?
The company.
You guys are jokers. Both of you.
Mom, I am the first son of this family. So I demand that the company is given to me. Let me take over and handle it.
Well, the last time I checked, we are the only surviving children of Chief Wilson. We are thinking, is it not time I and my brother here begins to run that company? Except there are other kids or children of Chief Wilson that we don't know about.
I'm out here to find peace, not to be disturbed by you both. All right?
You will never find peace. You will never find peace in this house because you've murdered the peace.
Well, let me ask her. I mean, why do you find it so difficult to let us have our inheritance? Why? Why are you like this? What you should do is to stay back at home and allow us to control the affairs of the company. Is that so hard for you to do?
You know, I've given you everything, the best of education.
Or for the company.
You start from the
It's
company.
remaining the company.
You need to go out there and hustle for yourself.
I still can't figure out why that old hag should be uptight. Why is she holding on to what is meant for her husbands?
We have to do everything we can to get her out.
How do we achieve that?
Can't you see what's going on out there?
That woman is obstinate. Why does she feel she can boss everyone around? Who the hell does she think she is?
She's too harsh and unwaveringly uptight.
Mama, see. You think you can do away with every one of us?
That's her greatest undoing. She thinks she's unyielding. But guess what? She has just succeeded in shooting herself in the leg. And I will push her into extinction. Kosi, let's join forces. Let's join forces and conquer our common enemy.
All I can say is that any witch that is trying to stop me from getting my possession, such witch will surely die.
Hey, Anderson, stop that.
It's just a prayer that I made.
Did you just call me a witch?
Mom, that was just the prayer that I just said. If there's a witch somewhere fighting my possession, that witch should die.
Prayerful man will die before the witch.
Mom, why don't you just allow us to run the company?
You can't run the company.
I am the first son.
Oh,
Mom, the company is ours.
my
We should
friend
run it.
Anderson, shut up. Go to water. Anyway, both of you are not getting anything. I'm sorry.
Don't touch me again. What's this? Please.
Chile, what is... do I look like one puppy like that? Eh? What is it? What has come over you?
What has come over me?
Yes, why are you denying me access to your body?
Raymond, you're the first son. Yet you're behaving like a woman. Until you know what to do and do it right, you will not touch me. This is not what you need now.
Julie, that is what I need now to cool off my head from the whole temper. Okay?
No.
You have to give it to me.
No, Raymond. I refuse, okay? Go out there, fight for what is rightfully yours. Then you can come back. But for now and ever, if you don't go out there to fight, you can never ever have a taste of my sugar ever again.
Julie, that sugar is what I'm going to taste now because I paid for it and I paid in full. You understand? The sugar is exactly what I don't need to be shouting. Don't need to shout.
You paid for it, right? You paid for it, right? You paid for it, right?
Yes, full.
Oh yeah, come and do now. Let me see. No, come and do. Let me see.
Julie, just stop this. What's
the meaning of this now? What is this?
Stop now. Stop now. You're my wife. You're my... Julie, Jarilum this thing, man. Come on. Where do you think you're going to?
Respect yourself.
Where do you think you're going to?
Exactly where I'm going to sleep tonight. Because I don't have time for this nonsense. Don't do that.
Julie, I paid for this. And you have to give it to me, oh. Julie, come back here. Yeah, Jarilum.
Why is Kosi sleeping here? Kosi?
Listen, if you touch me one more time, you won't like what will come out of it. Avoid me.
Sorry to disappoint you, it's not Anderson.
Julia, what are you doing?
Sleeping, of course.
Why?
I denied my husband sex tonight. So, I'm here to sleep.
I did the same. I told him if he failed to get his inheritance from his mother, he will not touch me or have sex with me again.
Same thing I told Ray. I mean, how can men be so soft? Like they are women. They just allow their mother manipulate them. Because, well, she thinks they are cool-headed.
What I don't understand is, why will they give an old woman upper hand in this family?
Please, let me just sleep. No more for today.
Come in.
Mama Z, your food don't be ready. Your favorite food.
Thank you. I'll be with you soon.
So, can I go now?
Come on, lie on the bed.
No, you dey whine me. This is not my bed. You now better person. Okay, now make I cook. You're a good person.
What? Ow! Are you mad?
Auntie Julian, I'm so sorry.
Fool! Chinaza!
Mama. Mama, see. It wasn't intentional, believe me. I'm so sorry.
No, stop! It's okay! It's okay! Is it because of this that you want to kill her?
This was the only food left.
It's okay.
But there's nothing left for you to eat.
I'm fine.
Please, I'm sorry, Mama, see, I'm very sorry.
Mama, see, this isn't fair. This is not fair. How can she just throw food away? How can you throw food that was meant for my mother-in-law?
I'm very sorry.
It wasn't intentional. Alright?
I'm very sorry.
Now you go in there. Get a broom and a packer and clean up.
I don't want to see any drop of it left. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
If I so much as see as a spot on the floor, you are dead.
Julian. It's okay, get a packer and a broom. That was harsh.
Yeah, you. That's what they say, though. We are in the city now. Hey, man.
Boss, I'm going to buy something.
Hey, wait, Tina, wait. Hey, come watch your guys. Let me call you back. Chinaza, where are you going to?
I'm going to buy something for Mama Sue.
You're going to buy something? Yeah, buy from you. You know?
Your money.
Is it not the money that you hold in the hand? Use it and use the change and buy for me something.
Boss, I don't have your strength.
Chinaza, biakene?
That Chinaza girl is becoming something else.
What did she do?
Can you imagine that idiot? She threw away the food served by Mercy to Mama C.
I don't understand.
But trust me, I gave her 2 resounding slaps to reset her medulla oblongata.
Black girl. She plays a lot these days.
It's not play. Overfeeding.
Where is she now?
She went down the road to go get snacks for Mama C.
Snacks? Oh, God. That girl really needs to be checked.
I'm sure the slaps, it has done something. I wish I could just squeeze her.
Brother Bossy.
Hey, yo.
Brother Bossy.
Hey, yo. Hey. Chinaza. Hey. What's you buying for me?
Okuna Fugo. Chinaza, they go the girl. You a good girl. Don't worry, I will marry you.
You will marry me.
I will marry you. I used to see you in my dream. Where me and you used to wear wedding gown. We will dance on my piano. It will happen. Don't worry. I will marry you. Oh?
Brother Bossy, I've told you. Stop saying that we will marry. I don't like it.
Look at what we are
Stop
talking.
saying this rubbish.
If you finish your secondary school and enter to university, bam, I'll marry you. Don't worry.
I beg you, go.
Chinaza, the bread is fresh, yo. Away.
This hair really looks good.
I like it. But I have to tell them to tint the tip pink for me.
Pink? You already have a pink hair, no?
You know I don't get enough of pink.
No. This time around, I think you should do like deep...
Good afternoon, Mass.
Each time I see that guy, I feel like just squeezing her and just tearing her to pieces. Anyway, ombre roots will look nicer.
Sister, you lost interest.
Hey! Hey, wait! That's a good girl. Can you imagine? I just asked her for something to buy. She bought bread and Fanta. I'll marry Chinaza. Man, don't marry Chinaza. Chinaza, I'll marry you. I'll take you to Obosi. Don't worry. Just finish his secondary school. Then you enter Upper University. Yeah, Cambridge. University. You enter university, I'll come and pay your bride price. You go to Obosi. You go to Obosi. I'll marry you. You're a good girl. No con. Chinaza. I'm married to oh, big roy, eating a big roy.
Evening. Who owns the food?
Mama C.
Oh, my mother-in-law.
Yes.
Okay, I'm actually famished.
You know, see, the last time when I do farm work, that time where I didn't feel this. So since I can't come back to the city now, I never see farm work do so farm no day.
I mean, I'm hungry.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Go and serve our food and come and dish mine.
You are hungry?
Yes.
Just give me 1 minute. I'm going to give you food to shop, yeah?
No problem. You can go and serve her.
I'm coming.
Yes. Be fast about it and make sure she eats it.
Okay.
Naza, are you okay? Why would you pour the food that I'm about to eat? You have done this severally, not once, not twice. Are you alright?
Mama, see, I'm so sorry. It wasn't intentional.
You are sorry. You are sorry. See what you just do. You are sorry. You say you're not intentional. Good one.
What is wrong with you?
Auntie Kosi, I'm sorry.
Sorry for your stupid self.
It wasn't intentional.
Just look at what you've done.
Ngozi, but I said I'm sorry.
One more word from you. You say the other side of me. What is wrong with you? I think it's high time I handle you my own way. What have you done? You probably did this because you wanted to go and buy snacks and soft drink.
No.
You did mischief maker.
I don't even know what to say. You've spilled my food. Now clear this nonsense and go in there, prepare something for me to eat within the next 5 minutes.
Make sure you clean this place very well.
Okay.
What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry on behalf of her. Sorry. Bring broom and pack her now.
Overfeeding is beginning to worry this girl, and she plays too much. It's time we put her in check.
I'll handle her my own way.
Where is this guy with the broom? Come on, do this there.
I'm so hungry.
That stupid girl. That stupid girl that calls herself Chinaza. She threw away the food I prepared for Mama C.
Same thing she did mine.
That silly girl. I haven't been pissed the way I was this afternoon.
The idiot only knows how to overfeed herself. Overfeeding is the only thing she has studied. She overfeeds herself with all the delicacies being prepared in this house. Something she can never even dream of in her father's house.
The reason Mama C brought her in this house, I don't know.
Well, you know Mama C, she picks stray dogs. She will tell you it's for, charity, whatever she calls it. Yeah, that's it. Nothing.
This girl has parents.
Parents, you said?
Yes.
Our parents are poor. They can barely afford 3 square meals a day.
We need to stop her.
How do we stop her?
We have to send her back. Send her to wherever she came from. Send her out of this house.
Kosi, you didn't bring her into this house. So there's no way you can send her out of this house. Because if we do, Mama C will have our heads. So...
Oh, Auntie Julia and Auntie Kosi, good morning. Bye. See you guys in the afternoon. Uncle Basil, good morning.
Good morning. What kept you?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was trying to get myself ready.
Oh, Kosi.
Can you imagine the daughter of a wretched man being treated like she's a princess?
You can actually say that again. It beats my imagination. But Mama C actually gave her the right to what she's doing in this house.
What do you expect? She's a beloved, adopted daughter.
I just hope she does not have plans of disinheriting our husbands and bequeathing everything to that girl and her wretched parents.
I don't want to imagine it. But trust me, she wouldn't dare. She won't.
She left her children to fate and is focused on taking care of Chinaza, another person's daughter. Who does that?
Apparently, Mama C does. You know what beats me? That stupid idiot Chinaza. She has the best of everything. She attends the best school in this town. Oh, not just the best, but the highest paid. She wears good clothes. She eats good food. No, just explain it to me. What doesn't she give to that girl?
She has driven to the office. An old woman who is supposed to stay at home resting while her sons take over is now going to the office while her son stays at home doing nothing.
Hate is a strong word, but that woman, she disgusts me.
Our husbands are graduates. She and her late husband practically trained our husbands in the university. Now I can't find some why she wouldn't allow them take over where their father left.
It's pretty simple. She wants to be in charge.
How old is she again?
A woman who barely accepts that she is old and weak.
Don't call her old in her presence. Else, she will descend on you.
Well, Mama see. We shall see.
How dare you barge into my office? Are you an idiot?
I don't understand that barge into your office, Mom. Come on. I just came to get my inheritance from you. I don't think I like this frame. I'm going to change this frame soon.
I demand an apology.
Apologies about what precisely? Well, Mom, I don't know why you're too dramatic. Why do you like this drama kind of lifestyle? Well, you should have known that by now that I can't leave this office if you don't give me what is mine. Like, I'm not leaving this place if I don't get my right share.
I said, I demand for an apology.
Come on, Mom. Why are you sounding this way? You know that I and my brother should be the one running this company. You're too old for this position. Just look at you. You should go to the mirror and watch the mirror and see yourself. You're too aged for this. As a matter of fact, where you're sitting right now should be my position. I don't even know why you're just...
You know, the age doesn't really matter. Now, I'm not claiming to be young, but son, my brain is far more intelligent and active than you and your brothers put together. You know, if I allow you people to take over this company, you know what's going to happen in a month? The company is going to sink like a red ship.
Mom.
I mean, look at you. Because you just bought a new pair of canvas, you go around lifting up your leg, and I watch you. The way you take your strides, that shows how little and fickle-minded you are.
This way, this is one of the dividends of a future manager of a company. I mean, just look the way I'm looking. This is the same I'm going to be dressing to office. That shows I'm going to do well. You should have given us the opportunity to run this company so you can see how competent we are. I mean, we can even lift this company from where it is now and take it to some kind of international standard. You get it? International standard. I can't leave this office if you're not giving me my inheritance. And besides, when I take over this place, I'm going to put my picture here in the middle and my wife's picture there, then my brother's picture there and his wife's picture there.
Don't even go any further. Because this wall behind me won't even accept your pictures.
Basil, where do you think you're headed?
Oh, Solly want to go and bring Chinaza back from farm.
What is she to this family? I mean, who is she to this family?
I think you should go ahead and ask Mama see that question. Because I practically have no answers to it, okay?
Oh, Bossy! Come here and fast! Lock the gate and get me the keys. Fast.
Obos. Look, Chinaza will be stranded in school and she doesn't know her way around.
Who cares? Do we look like we care if she gets lost?
You know what? Nobody gives a hoot if she gets missing, if she's dead, or anything happens to her. I thought you wanted to go. Carry the car, take it across, and just drive out. Do your job. Idiot.
What is this madness all about? I'm just here to do my job, which I'm paid for. Oh, boss. I'm supposed to go bring Chineza back from school. Now, this. I won't do this one now.
Now they can't lock the gate.
You don't know you lock him.
If you give me sign, tell me say wetin dey happen. I've not even lock am. And you don't reach school run, so go collect the key.
Which key?
Go collect am. That's it. Go collect the key. Cow. Go collect the key.
Chinaza. Oh girl. Go on. If I go collect, I know you give them. Go collect key.
You know, the idea of opening up a sachet and table water company was entirely mine. Unfortunately, your father bought into the idea.
Wow.
And here we are today.
Oh, interesting. What a good story.
And you and your brother think you can walk in here and take over what you know nothing about? Is it possible?
You know what, Mom? I think you're going to make a good storyteller. Why don't you go into script writing or something? You can actually work with Nollywood. I mean, that's where you have great potentials and not on that seat where people like us should be sitting. I mean, you can go to Nollywood. I've got some few friends that you can talk to that can employ you and you write for them. Such a good story. Well, like you said, you brought up the idea of the company and our late father bought into the idea. By all facts, he funded the company and he grew the company to this might where it is at the moment. And then he died, he passed away. So automatically, we as his living sons or children should be the ones running the company and not you, the aged wife.
You know, you're not even going to get me upset. So if you can kindly leave my office, I'll appreciate it. I have a lot to do.
I didn't hear you, Mom. Say it again. I didn't hear you. I should leave my office. No, you're talking to the future manager of this company. You shouldn't be talking to me like that. I mean, there comes a time where you want me to give you some stipends, to take care of yourself, to help you get to... Oh, come on.
Hello, DPO. Oh, yeah, I'm fine. I'm actually in the office. You promised to visit. Yes. Yes, it will be a good one if you... But he's not even smart enough to know that I'm not calling him. Shh. Oh. All right, manager, you said you want 10,000 cartons of bottled water at your shop, right? Okay. That's not a problem. You'll get your water. All right? Oh, thank you so much. Bye. Oh, my God. Hello, madam. Good afternoon. May I help? Are you kidding me? By this time of the day? Wow, what happened? Oh my God. Basil actually dropped her first thing this morning and he was meant to pick her up. Anyway, not to worry. I'll handle this, okay? Thank you. Bye. What kind of nonsense is this? Still at school at 4 p.m. Hello, Basil.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening. How come you've not gone to pick Nasa from school?
No, ma, it's not my fault. It's Juliana and Kosi. They practically locked the gate and embargoed me from going to pick Chinaza from school.
Are you kidding me? Why ever would they do that?
I don't even know what to do, ma. I'm confused.
Okay. I'll handle this. I'll go to school and pick her up. Okay. I'll sort it out when I get back.
Ah, my baby. So
Mama,
sorry. Yes,
good
my
evening.
darling. Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama C. I've waited for Uncle Basil since 2 p.m. we dismissed. But up to no avail.
So sorry. Something came up.
What?
Well, something that is not entirely his fault. That's why he couldn't make it.
I hope it's not something serious.
No. Not something we cannot handle. So how was school today?
Great.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
No problem.
Okay. So, we head home?
Okay. Mama C.
Yes, dear.
We were taught something in school today.
And what was that?
Mama, what can the devil do to a human being?
That's a big question. A lot. The devil steals, he destroys, and then he kills. That's what he does.
Mama C.
Yes.
What if I tell you there is a devil in our house?
Are you kidding me?
I'm not. It's not just the devil, but 2 of them. And they have one agenda. To kill you.
To kill me in my own house? What? How do you mean? Yes.
You know, that day I threw away the food and Mercy served you.
Uh-huh. Why? I mean, why would Julian want to kill me in my own house? Whatever did I do to her?
You know, she's the #1 devil in that house, and her mission is to kill you.
Whatever for?
And the second time, I threw away the food and Mercy was coming to serve you.
Yes.
That's it.
Oh my God.
Mama C, any day I throw away food that is meant for you to eat, just know it that there is danger. And you know what? Tell Auntie Mercy to go and feed the dog the food. And once the dog eats the food and dies, know that there is a real devil in that house.
I can't believe this. Both my daughters-in-law want me dead? In my own house? This is incredible.
Mama C.
Oh my God.
You know, their plans will not work. So far as I'm in that house, they will not succeed. You will not die.
Amen.
You will not.
God takes care of his own people.
Yeah, Mama C, you know, you are a good woman with a heart of gold. So nothing will happen to you, okay?
Amen. Amen. Amen.
You know, you took me as your biological daughter. You Oh, I don't know how to express it. Mama, see, I love you so much.
I love you too. You know, sometimes God puts people in our lives to help us.
Mama, see,
yes.
I want to tell you something.
What?
Anytime you hear me singing Tem 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 for Jesus, anytime you feel the sound and you hear me singing Tem 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 for Jesus, no, there is danger.
Chinasa, you are so smart. Smarter than most people your age.
Mama said, I don't want anything bad to happen to you.
Nothing would happen to me. God will keep taking care of me.
Amen.
Why is life like this?
I poisoned the food that stupid girl threw away that day. Mama C would have just eaten it and died.
What? Hold on. Are you saying you added some substance into that food?
Yes. I wanted Mama C out. Why are you laughing? What's funny?
I also added some poisonous substance into the food Messi was going to serve Mama C. But Chinaza also threw it away.
You did not.
I wanted Mama C dead so that my husband can inherit his inheritance.
You know, since you and I have a common goal, we could just join forces in taking Mama C out. But what do we do?
Since our plans to poison her to death has failed, I think we should re-strategize and send her out. We can even cause physical fracas. By that I mean we can engage her in physical combat.
You have a point. Yes, you do have a point. We could just join hands and beat her to death. Yes, this is exciting.
No. Then the law will come after us for murder.
Oh. Once again, you have a point. Yes, I think I know now what we need to do. We will launch an attack first thing tomorrow. Yes.
Do you know of any native doctor that can help us finish her up?
Huh?
Yes. It's still better than fighting her to death. With a car that I'm supposed to go to work with. What's the meaning of that?
Mom, that's why you're shouting my name like that early this
Excuse
morning.
me? Shouting your name? I'm reporting something important to you and you say I'm shouting?
Mom,
are you crazy?
Actually, you're ranting.
Shut up. Shut that trap of yours. How dare you talk to me in that manner? Are you stupid or something? Your wife went away with my car and you're calling me ranting? Don't try that anymore. Do not call me ranting.
Mom, for your information, I am the first son of this family. Okay? I own everything here. So my wife has the right to drive any car in this compound.
Really? Your wife?
Mom, yes, really.
Let me tell you something. You see, you, your wife, and every other person in this house has no right and will not insult me in my own house. Do you understand me?
Mom, Ifembu Diobala of this family, okay? I own everything. The company, the house, everything. This place is mine. I will be the one to say what will happen. So my wife has the right to drive any kind, this compound, any kind of company, to use anything. 1 million live for Bonasolia in this place.
Okay, wife will kill me.
My wife.
Julian, I'll tell you something. Papa Julian, to be very careful.
Because when I start, she had better be ready for the war. You know, Kwelifina Kokonyala. Oh, but that is what you are. It's not until you wear your undies and go to the marketplace, keep Gonyala. No, Apwala, and you're one of them.
Okay. No problem. But all I know is that I'm the heir apparent. I'm the first son.
Feeling.
What can Dallas say, man?
You got to feel money. By the time I'm done with you, he get your pants, he get your shirts.
Hello? Ozzy. Who cares? My darling, definitely I don't. But right at this moment, I'm just driving round and round in circles. I don't even have a destination in mind. You know what, babe? I am definitely going to deal with that woman. Since she has sworn that I would not have rest, then definitely she's not going to have rest. That woman must die. Guess what? I've gotten back at her today. She doesn't even know what I'm thinking tomorrow. My darling, I'm driving. Okay? I'll call you later. And I'll soon be at home shortly. Okay? See you soon. Bye.
And where do you think you're coming from? Come back. I'm talking to you. Stand here when I talk to you. Old witch. Did you just touch me? Oh, you're so stupid. Look at you. You went out with my car, knowing fully well I needed that car to go to the office this morning. What is your problem? And you expect me to answer that question? No. Do you actually expect me to answer? You know what? Fine, let me grace you with an answer. I went out. Meanwhile, what are you still doing? No, let me ask you mine in return. What are you still doing here, old witch? Why don't you just die? Die once and for all so that my husband can possess his possession as first son. Please, die. What did you just say?
Yes, Mama C. Please die. Let us bury you and rest. Your mates are all dead. Why are you still alive?
At least let me party jollof rice. I will grace you with an answer. You see, you both, you will definitely die before me. Oh yes! Mark my words. You think you can come here and intimidate me in my own house? Are both of you not old enough to have your own homes? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not old enough to also leave the property for your sons? What is this? Property, what is this? I worked hard for. What have you ever brought to the table in this house? Nothing. You see the kind of wives you people brought to my house? Oh, you think they're dealing with me? They will definitely deal with you. One after the other. And for your information, I have a recorder in this house, recording everything you're doing. When the time is right, I will deal with you. See you're shaking. See you're shivering. Oh, excuse me. My handbag. Forgotten my hand. Take it. Give it to me. One of these days! I'm not a chick on Yala. They fit in. Oh, we're going to take in a car every day. Yeah, see me. Get out of the way, let me pass.
How did they go? Hey, wait. Both of you has guts. Hey, stop that. Listen to me.
What is it now?
You have the gut to spill bunkers before Mama C. You don't know her, right?
Raymond, what's this?
I know Deo.
Raymond, what's this?
What's what?
You've started behaving like a woman once again. What is this?
You don't know Mama C.
Man up as the first son of this house.
You don't know Mama C.
Man up as the first son of this house and stop behaving like a woman.
Don't worry.
Time for Jesus.
Chinaza, who served this food? Mercy! Mercy!
Ma? Ma?
Who served this food?
I served the food, ma.
You served the food?
Yes,
ma. Thank you. You can go back to the kitchen.
Okay.
Have you eaten?
Yes, ma.
You sure?
Yeah.
I am sure she ate the food this time around. That little witch did not throw it away. This time around, Madame Christie will die like chicken.
And I can't wait to spit on her remains.
Her greed has led her to her early grave. Imagine an old woman telling men what to do and what not to do. Let her die and go and join her husband in the great beyond.
And I can't wait for that moment when a song will be sung just to mourn her passing. And I'm certain she will definitely pass on during her sleep. And I can't wait to look at her lifeless body and laugh and laugh and laugh until I'm tired of laughing.
At least, she will allow us enjoy our marriages with our husbands.
Good riddance to bad rubbish.
We need to start looking for a way to fake cry tomorrow morning. Because tomorrow morning go red. You need to see the way I will cry. I will throw myself up. The way I will throw myself down. I'll be crying as if I lost a husband. Let me just show you. Wait. Mama, see you. That's why. That's why. That's why did you take away this righteous woman? Mama. See you.
And I will join you. Gladly join you. And I will do.
Oh, Mama, see. Who will I come mother-in-law again? Oh, who will I come mother-in-law again? Oh. Somebody hold me. I want to kill myself. Oh. That you are too cruel. That you are too cruel. I'm dying. Mama, see. Please help me. Which goes to me? Am I a doctor? I beg go. Biku, don't even call my name. Which one is please. Julia, I know you have to give you my kindness. Please help.
Mama, see. Can you hurry up and die so that we can inherit our inheritance? Hurry up. You're taking too long.
What's going on here? Mama, see. Why is she on the floor? Is she rehearsing something?
I don't know. Help your mother, please.
Hi.
Please
She
help.
said her intestines.
Oh, Mama, see, nice rehearsals. Okay, you videoing it?
I just said you will always be a good son. My intestines!
You send it to me through Zenda later, eh?
I don't think I have time for this. No, just call this get man. Make on car and put this icon.
Oh, yes, that's true.
I don't get that for this kind of thing.
Oh.
I don't know, I beg. I beg, I don't collect the video for my page.
Can you please make me noodles? I'm hungry.
Do you want it pepperish?
A bit of pepper, but make sure you make it with corned beef.
Okay, no problem. Would you want the egg fried or boiled?
Boiled.
Okay, I know what you want.
Mama, see. Hey, die now. What are you saying? Die! Just be fast. You're taking too long.
Basil, stop the car.
Mama, see. Is everything okay? I mean, are you fine?
I am fine.
Oh, you're fine. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Mama, you mean you didn't eat that food?
No, I did not eat it.
Oh, yes.
I was just pretending. I wanted to see what the reaction of my children would be.
But, Mama, see, why are you doing all this?
I just said it. You know what we're going to do? Basil, you drive us back to the house. In the dead of the night, I'm going to sneak back into the house when nobody would see me. All right?
All right, Ma.
So just drive us back.
Okay, Ma.
I'm happy.
Who must have poisoned her?
Well, I don't think anyone poisoned her. I think maybe perhaps she ate those useless food cooked by those vendors out there.
With all the white maggi.
I just pray nothing happens to her. Honestly. Because I can't afford to be an orphan. No father, no mother.
This is happening to her because of her stubbornness.
How?
Well, when Dad was alive, we used to be happy in this house. After Father's death, she changed. She became very greedy and she doesn't want you guys to inherit your inheritance.
And that's not enough for someone to poison her food.
Like I said, no one poisoned her. At least she didn't eat the poison here. Perhaps she ate it out there and came here to, concoct all the drama.
In case any of you must have poisoned her, the police will track the person down to this house. And this is going to be a slap and a shameful thing onto this house.
Who would want to poison her in this house? Look, I know we all have our differences.
Exactly.
Why would someone want a human dead? That's so absurd.
Like, I can't even imagine it.
Why am I having this feeling that both of you poisoned Mama C? Yes.
What kind of talk is that one? Raymond, what's that? Why are you pointing and accusing people? Please, stop it. What's this? I will not stand here for this
not
nonsense.
shouting. Because you're not sounding convincing.
What's that? Why are you calling my name?
If it happens that both of you poisoned her food, police will come for both of you.
I don't know why you're calling my name. Please stop it.
Unana one after the other. One after the other. See, there's a big problem at hand. There's a big problem.
A very big problem indeed. But you know what? I never thought about this until you said it. I think Kosi and Julian has a hand in this.
Do you know I went in and I accused them of poisoning Mama C's food?
Really?
And guess what?
What?
Your guess was as good as mine.
Of course our husbands are not far from the truth. If she dies, we're done for.
Well, I'll just run away. I will run away if anything goes wrong. I'll simply disappear into thin air before the police even think of getting to me.
You don't sound reasonable at all. Don't you know the police can always fish you out? There is no hiding place for us. I told you let the sleeping dog lie, but you wouldn't listen.
What are you even saying?
After the 2 attempts on her life failed, I told you let it lie. You're just being adamant.
No. What are you saying exactly? Are you trying to push all the blame on me?
It's entirely your fault. Now look at what is happening to us. I should have just stood my stance.
Are you a baby? Tell me. Are you a child? Why didn't you decline?
I declined. You kept pressurizing me. We should join forces. I should have just known this would backfire.
You know what? At this point, I am in no mood for your jitters, okay? Instead of sitting here and apportioning blames, we should think of a way forward.
Leave me alone. I told you let us stop, but you said no.
Kosi, let's join forces together and finish our common enemy. Come on, we want her out.
Julian, I want you to slow down on this. You made an attempt on her life and failed. I equally did and I failed.
But that shouldn't deter us from trying a third time. We must get her out.
Then count me out. I don't want to be part of it, please.
No, you will be a part of it.
I said I don't want to be a part of it.
Listen, Kosi, you will. Come on, we are women. This is what we do. We pave the way. We'll have to do this so that our husbands can inherit their inheritance.
Julian, are you going to force me?
Of course, my darling, I will force you. Both of us, we're two peas in a pod. Listen, Kosi, do this with me. Let's get this done. Let's take her away permanently.
Julian, please. I want you to reconsider your stance on this. Have you not noticed something about Mama C? It's like something is backing her up.
There is nothing backing her up but that little imp. And we'll take care of her. That's not a problem. Kosi, let's take her away permanently. We have nothing to lose, but so much to benefit from this. Come on. Think about it.
So, what's next?
Simple. You call Mercy to serve her her last supper.
I like the sound of that. Her last meal. Okay, let's go.
Mercy!
Mercy!
Ma?
Where have you been?
I was doing something in the backyard.
Oh, okay. Take this to my mother-in-law. It's her meal, actually.
Okay. And make sure nothing happens to it, okay?
Yes,
Do it quickly, then you can go back to whatever you're doing at the backyard.
Yes, ma.
Listen, and listen good. If I go down, you're going down with me.
You poisoned her. So you should bear the consequences of your action.
Point of correction. We poisoned her. And whatever comes out of this, we are going to face it. Either good or bad.
Nothing good will ever come out from killing someone.
What a laugh.
So you knew, yet you poisoned her. Why didn't you even think about the implication?
Yes, I did. But I did not succeed, and I decided to let things be until you came up with your crazy idea.
For the fact that you even tried to poison her, we are saying.
You didn't run in your mouth like typewriter. Just know that when this backfires, you will carry it all by yourself.
Kosi, just know that when the music plays, the dancer should be ready to dance to its rhythm. Whatever comes of this, we're definitely facing it together.
Raymond, what are you doing in this room? What are you searching for?
What does this look like that I'm doing?
Raymond, we just lost Mama C. And the only thing that could come to your mind is to rush to her bedroom to begin to search for documents and credit cards. Really?
Yes, because I need to get my hands on those stuffs.
Raymond, you are unbelievable. I thought the only thing that should be in your mind is how we would get to the morgue. At least to see Mama C, who has been announced to be dead. And at least to confirm ourselves that she died.
Well, Anderson, I don't see anything wrong with what my husband is doing.
Or you could say if there's nothing wrong with what your husband is doing? Julian, we just lost our mother. And all your husband could think of is to come to our mother's room to search for documents. I mean, we should be thinking of finding a solution or whatever that caused the death of our mother by carrying out an autopsy.
Autopsy?
I'm actually going to get to the mortuary, wake her up. Then she'll come and give me these stuffs. After then, she'll go back to the mortuary. You're so unbelievable, bro. Why are you sounding this way? We all saw how Mama C struggled before dying. And by indication, it's clear. Someone from this house must have poisoned Mama C.
Or the office.
It's not possible. She died here. She struggled here. So whatever she ate must have been from this house. I don't understand. I can't believe the things about you.
I think she was smart enough to do away with what you are looking for before now.
I have a feeling that there's one more place you haven't checked.
May I have the pleasure of knowing where that place could be?
Under the mattress.
Oh, really? Why don't you just go ahead and give me lifting hands to that case?
I really need to lay my hands on this stuff before someone else does, because I don't trust any of you.
Can you give me a lifting hand?
Men do the heavy lifting. Sorry.
Babe, I really need to lay my hands on those stuffs.
It's empty.
I have always known that Mama C is a witch. Where could she have hidden them?
Where exactly? You're here.
Yes.
Mercy! Mercy!
Ma'am!
Come.
Ma?
Get me a cold glass of juice.
Ma?
A cold glass of juice.
Okay, crash of use. I'm coming.
I want to cool off with juice. Chinaza cried all through the night because of Mama C's death.
Who cares? I don't feel any pity for her.
Who?
That stupid girl, of course. Come on. I'm very, very sure. Trust me. I'm sure by now, Mama C's lifeless body would have been deposited into the morgue. Here, come now. Here, come and start dragging property with us. Stupid woman.
It's very close.
Thank you.
I did not think to get one for me.
But he never asked me for crash of use, so Auntie Kosi say make him bring me crash of use. I bring him for.
Are you mad? Get out! Get out! Just go. I can't wait to see you fired. Idiot.
Let her be. You didn't ask her to get you one. She would have gotten you. Just leave her, please. I am super excited. Very soon our husbands will inherit their inheritance after their mother's funeral. And that makes me super happy.
I'm sharing in that excitement. Yes. I cannot wait to see that wicked woman's body committed to Mother Earth.
Ghost.
Holy Ghost fire. Ghost. Lord of Jesus. Holy Ghost fire. Lord of Jesus.
I told you that woman is a witch.
Wait. I don't understand. A woman that was carried out of this place last night, half dead, was the one who just drove out the gate. Is this some sort of a movie? Are there cameras somewhere?
I'm shocked to my bone marrow. Is that a ghost? Because I'm sure she's lying dead in the mortuary, according to Chinaza. Did she survive this? Are you sure she ate the food?
Of course, she did. She ate the poison food.
Are you sure? Because I am confused. I don't know what else to believe. Are you sure we added enough the substance in her food?
What are you even saying? Mercy told me. She ate the food. Besides, I saw her cleaning the dishes that Mama C had used to eat.
Mercy! What's wrong with you? Why are you this happy?
Did you win the lottery?
No, Mama C just shop everything now. You don't shop well now.
So Mama C has eaten?
Yes. Now the place I just the watch like this. See. Create everything.
Nice. Nice. So what are we having for dinner?
Auntie Gosi say make I prepare some fistas and okra soup.
Okay, that's fine. Please make sure it's delicious, okay?
Ma?
Make sure it's delicious.
Okay, delicious. You know, as I be Karabaki now, I'm going to give you a delicious.
Okay, you know what? Huh? Just when dinner is ready, come call me. But make sure you serve the food first, okay? I'll be upstairs in my room.
Okay. Okay, I should come and call.
Continue cleaning the plates. No dancing or singing.
Okay.
And make sure to call.
Okay, ma. Make sure you came and get me in the upstairs when the food is ready. I don't like the way this woman is speaking English. Come and get me in the upstairs when your food is ready.
You see, she told me that Mama C ate it. So what's this? And you and I witnessed that woman yesterday. Last night, she was almost dead. Anybody who not just walk out like that, hale and hearty. How did she do it?
I don't know. Anybody that saw what happened last night will just conclude that this woman will not make it. The question is, she survived it. How did she come back?
I don't know what's going on here. Because I am sure that I poured the whole rat poison into her food. I emptied it and she ate it. Trust me, no one can survive that. The question, like you raised, is how is she hale and hearty? No, she's definitely a witch. Like you said, she's a witch. She is a witch.
I think we'll have a problem trying to kill her.
What are you getting at?
This is the third time we're poisoning her food.
Well, we'll think of something. Yes. There are 1,000 ways to kill a rat. And trust me, she's no different. Because we'll need to think of something, like really fast. Yes, we have to make it snappy. We do not have the luxury of time. This time around, everything is going to work according to plan. Yes. But first, we need to think.
You and who? Are you not tired?
No.
You're on your own.
You need to be fast about this whole thing. Whatever you're doing, you need to do it fast so we can rush to the morgue to confirm if Mama C died truly.
Hold on, I'm almost done.
Let me just button up. You know how people think. Before you know it, they'll begin to conclude that we heard that Mama T died and we decided to do nothing about it.
I know. Hold on.
You need to get there to confirm this.
Almost true.
You just saw
What?
Mama, see, drive out of the compound.
Yes, we just saw her ghost moments ago.
You saw Mama
Moments
C
ago, yes.
drive out of the compound. You guys are so funny. Can you imagine? Mama C is dead. Oh my God, you guys don't even know what you're talking about. See, Mama C has been confirmed dead. As I speak to you right now, she's in the morgue. Chinaza and Basil has confirmed that they saw her dead themselves.
We just saw her now. As a matter of fact, she was fully dressed. She drove out with her car.
Chelogodi. Okay, Mama C Nekumakia. Which one? Which Mama C are you talking about? The one lying dead in the hospital, in the mortuary?
She dressed, drove out.
She's dressed and drove out with her car? Mama C?
Whatever this is, I am not in for this. I've heard stories about ghosts tormenting houses and disturbing people around, but that's in the movie. But clearly, if Mama C is around, or rather, if her ghost is around this house disturbing anyone, that means whoever that killed Mama C should be in this house.
What are you talking about? Who must have killed Mama C, or who wants to kill Mama C?
More reason we should go to the morgue to find out what killed Mama C.
Hey, Mama C. It's okay. This is not funny now, okay? Come on, let's move ahead.
Come, let's see. Here's the door. Alright, guys, see, there's no Mama C anywhere. Hold on.
Can we?
Mama C!
Shall we?
Can you see for yourselves? Mama C's nowhere. So come, let's go. We need to get to the mortuary. Come, let's go.
Come. Let's go.
Oh, Mama C.
Okay, Mama C will get you there.
My children and their wives couldn't even ask me what killed Bingo. Rather, they fled for inviting them for something as insignificant as the death of a mad dog. So this is how I would have died if not for Chinaza, who saved me. By now I would have been dead. I can't believe it. I can't even emphasize the reason why my 2 daughters-in-law would want me dead. The one that pains me the most is Kosi. If a soothsayer had told me that Kosi, that I took as a daughter, the daughter of my best friend, whom I recommended for Anderson to marry, would one day seek to hurt me, oh my God, I wouldn't have believed it. But I guess life is unpredictable.
Hi, honey, how are you? I hope you're good. We're all doing great. We're just wondering when you're coming back from China. Okay, I guess we've missed you more. Oh, by the way, I just want to seek your permission to do something. You remember my best friend? Okay. Now I'm wondering, I'm thinking, I'm hoping, and I just want to ask, I recommend her last daughter for Anderson to marry. Thank you so much. I knew I could trust you on this one. Well, she is a beautiful young girl, so mature and intelligent. I just love her. I've always loved her from when she was a child. Okay, but if you remember, we are her parents. And that's why she visits all the time. All right then, I will call her mother and let her know. Okay? Love you. Bye. Anderson has got a wife. Anderson has got a wife. Anderson has got a wife.
Mama C. Animal. You don't look bad at all.
Wow.
Ever green and ever young.
You can say that again. I mean, we need to take care of ourselves. So how's the family?
We are fine.
That's good. What about Kosi, my daughter?
Kosi is very fine.
That's good to hear.
Did I tell you? Suitors are already filing in.
Are you kidding me? Chidokwane, just hold it right there. Eh? Those suitors had better pack. Tell your husband's kinsmen that they had better leave Kosi alone because my eyes are on her.
Kosi. Please, the prayer of every parent is to be alive to see their sons and daughters get married.
That's everyone's prayer. So I have the perfect suitor for Kosi.
Really?
Yes.
And who is that?
No one else but my handsome, tall son, Anderson.
Anderson?
The same Anderson.
Anderson, your son? Ah.
Oh, you know my son, Raymond, married that Kogi girl. We hardly vibe. I don't know, there's just something that is not right. That's why I need to get my son a good wife. Someone that is almost like a daughter to me. I know the two of them would really take care of me. I vibe very well with Kosi.
But let me ask you, what if he declines?
Who?
Anderson, of
Anderson,
course.
my son. I know Anderson like the back of my palms. He will not decline. You know, he's a very loving young man. Always looking out for his mother. They'll make a beautiful couple. Forget it.
I like the sound of this. Anderson is a great guy and I know he will make a good husband.
The way he'll take care of your daughter. Hey, Biko, tell Kosi to see me.
Of course, you know I will.
Like Isa. Alright?
Sure.
By the way, what about those fabrics we've been talking about?
You are still talking about those fabrics? We should be talking about Ashwebi.
Mama, see.
That's me. Mama Lechan.
Mama.
Mama Sinachi.
Thank you, Ma.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you, Ma.
I can't stop admiring you every time I see you.
Thank you, Mama C. Mama C, you look good equally. No need asking you.
Well, I'm okay. I mean, I wouldn't complain considering the age, you know. And I also want to thank you for answering my call.
Okay. Mama C, I hope there's no problem.
No problem at all. No problem. I was just wondering, when was the last time you saw my son?
I haven't seen him in a while.
Oh, you both used to be very close, you know, as teenagers during your university days. What happened?
We're still close, Mama, but we haven't spoken for a while.
Well, I was just wondering, thinking, and, you know, wondering, just saying to myself that you both can actually make a good pair, if you know what I mean. I mean, like, get married and... The way you're laughing, you're in love with my son already. I know it. I mean, he's so handsome. Who wouldn't be in love with Anderson? If it wasn't my son.
Mama, it would have been a good idea, but I'm seeing someone.
You are? Yes. And how serious are you with this guy?
We are very serious. We're in love, and I'm hoping it's going to lead to marriage, though he hasn't proposed, but I am sure he would.
He hasn't proposed. That means he's not serious. Just take this advice from the soul woman. My son is the best thing for you. I promise you that.
Mama, see, I know what is best for me. I love this guy so much, and I'm sure he would propose. Mama, besides, Anderson hasn't looked my way.
He was so pained. So disappointed.
No, I'm sorry, Ma. I'm sorry, Mama, see. Don't be.
Let me drown my sorrows in my...
I'm sorry.
Glass of orange juice. Are you sure there's no... You will not reconsider? Kosi just left here like an hour ago. Yes.
Kosi, your daughter?
My daughter, but not my biological daughter, but to bring the daughter thing closer home. I am wondering and thinking that maybe you should marry her.
I don't understand. Why would you want me to marry a girl who's like a sister to me?
Kosi is not your sister.
Come on, Mom. I mean, Kosi has always been like a sister to me.
Oh, well, been like, but she's not. We're not even from the same local government. Yes, same state, but not local government. So I don't see anything wrong with you marrying Kosi.
Oh, well, Mom, I don't know why you would say you don't see anything wrong with me marrying Kosi. Besides, the Kosi in question, you and Dad are her God's parents. She's like a sister. I can't marry Kosi.
Godparents. Yeah, it's different from when she now comes closer. Your union will bring children that will be part of our blood. Please, I beg of you, marry this girl and make her part of this family, please. Do it for me.
Mom. I am sorry I'm going to disappoint you this time around. I mean, there's no way I can oblige to this that you desire. I can't marry Kosi. Hell no. I can't condescend to marry Kosi.
Why? What do you mean condescend?
She's more like a sister to me.
And I've told you she's not. Except you have any other reason.
Well, here's the fact. There's a girl in my life, a woman I'm in love with.
A woman you're in love with? How come you've not told your father and I about this woman you're in love with?
Okay, here's the thing here. The one I'm in love with happens to be an undergraduate. She's still schooling at UNN in Suka. So probably by the time she's done, I think that would make her more valuable to present to the family.
And that's when you've paid her school fees and all that. Anyway, well, if you ask me, I still want Kosi. And besides, I'll be the one to judge if she's valuable or not.
But mom, I know Kosi is a beautiful girl. I know that, but I mean, marrying her is not something I can actually conceive. I don't think I can do that.
You will marry Kosi. What do you feel?
Mom, it doesn't work that way. Why are you sounding this way? So now tell me, are you going to force down a wife down my throat? Are you?
If need be, honey.
Let me top your drink for you.
Don't top yours.
I insist.
You need it.
No, I need
so
to.
that when you meet Kosi,
Mom, let me increase your drink. I need to topple your drink, Mom.
It will become a viable affair.
So I should top it?
Top it. And go and visit Kosi.
Make yourself comfortable. Just give me some little time. Let me fetch my mom.
Okay.
Mom!
Oh,
there you are.
Yes, I am.
I was going to fetch you.
Kosi!
Mama,
my darling. Oh, you're here. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh my God, so good to see you.
Good to see you too, ma.
Well, Mom, permit me to make an introduction. Meet Olive. Yeah, Kosi. She's the girl I've been talking to you about. The one you wanted me to marry.
No way! Kosi!
Mama, see.
Olive?
Yes, ma'am.
So you both are already dating behind my back?
Well, let's say we've been dating before now.
And no one thought it wise to let me know?
Hey. Mom. Trust me. I know what I'm doing.
You better know what you're doing. Sit down and tell me about this.
Please sit. Thank you.
All right, darling, come and sit.
I can't believe this. Olive. Kosi. Oh, you guys got me there. Ngwa, tell me how it all started.
So this is it.
Hi. Yes.
Whoa. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm okay. Hey, what are you doing under the sun?
I'm looking for taxis. I'm traveling back to school.
Oh, really? Okay then, if you don't mind, can I give you a lift up to the park?
Oh yeah, it's fine.
It's okay, right?
Yes. Thank you.
Oh my God, this is heavy.
You know women's stuff.
Jeez. Please, collect.
So tell me, would you prefer I call you by your baptismal name, Olive?
You know already.
I think I like the name Olive, so I'll call you that.
Whichever one is fine. Anyone you prefer it.
My parents happen to be your God's parents, so of course I should know all of it.
Okay.
But I love Olive a lot, so I'll call you that. But you know something, you're a very beautiful girl, I must say.
Don't you get tired?
Just telling you the truth. Do you know, let me make this confession. Do you know there were days that when you come visiting, I do peep just to look at you.
What's that?
Yes, of course. Is it because we're all grown now and everyone is acting up like an adult? There were days like, I swear, like I used to go from the window and look at you.
Okay.
Yeah. So how long will this semester last?
2 or 3 months.
So that means I'm going to stay like a couple of months before I could set my eyes on you again.
Yeah.
Okay. It's all right. Maybe we'll keep talking. I'm going to keep communicating with you in that case.
It's fine.
Yeah, we have to communicate that. Hello, beautiful. Yeah, or you can call me Andy. I don't know why you like calling me Anderson, but that's okay. Have you guys left? Oh, interesting. It's a good thing that you guys had left already, but I was calling to know if you're still at the park. Oh, you guys are gone. Okay, what more can I say but to say safe trip? Not really. I'm not too far from the house, so in a few minutes time I'm gonna be at home. Oh yeah, sure I will. So you take care of yourself. Alright, bye. So tell me, have you got it to super? Oh wow. Thank God for joining us. Have you eaten? Okay, in that case I would suggest you take some rest. Maybe shower or something. Babe, let me ask you. What's your favorite color? Oh no, please. Forgive me, I've actually forgotten. What's your favorite color? Hey, please, don't even start again, please. I've forgotten, just remind me, please. Oh, my goodness. How could I have forgotten that? I've always, Jesus. I've forgotten that pink is your favorite color. Like, you love pink so much. Forgive me, this won't happen again. Alright, darling. So, at this point, I'll just have to leave you because I have a lot of things to catch up with. So, we'll talk later. Alright, sweetie, take care of you. Alright, bye. So, Mom, that was how we met. And ever since then, we haven't stopped loving each other.
You mean you both have been seeing yourselves behind my back? I can't believe this. Really? Well, then go ahead and do the needful.
Mom.
Yes, give me grandchildren.
Just like that?
Of course. You said you both are in love. You've not even proven anything to me. You're sitting wide apart. No, it is something called body language when people are in love. And I don't see it happening.
It's all right. It's time to sink the ship. Did you hear what Mom said?
Yes, but we can't do this.
Hey, babe, don't just talk. It's time to show my mom the things we do behind her.
You do?
Or rather, behind closed doors. So, Mom, are you there?
I want to see it.
Mama, are you sure you want to see this?
Every nitty-gritty.
Okay.
Mom, are you going to be strong?
I want to see.
You sure? Should I?
The girl I recommended for my son to marry now wants me dead at all costs. What did I do to her? Why did I go wrong?
Mercy. It's okay.
It's not okay. I would have been dead by now if not for you.
Mama, they can't kill you. Unless there is no God in heaven.
I'll be traveling to the States soon. And, you have to be here. You'll be my eye, alright?
Okay, Mama.
Not to worry. I'll call from time to time. Just ensure you have your nose.
Okay, Mama.
It's crazy.
Hello?
Chinaza, this is Mama C.
Oh, Mama, good morning, Ma.
Good evening. It's night over here in America.
Wow.
How are you and studies?
Mama, things are not in order. It has gone completely disreal, courtesy of Uncle Raymond.
What is happening?
Mama, Uncle Raymond fired Auntie Mercy, Uncle Basil, Mohammed, and all the staffs in the company.
What? What impudence?
Mama, they are now in charge and run things at the company.
They couldn't even wait for me to leave. It's okay. So, are you off to school?
Mama, I'm even trekking. I'm trekking to school.
I've spoiled everything for me. It's okay, just manage, alright? You take care of yourself.
Okay, Mama, bye. Take care.
Bye.
I ask you again, where did you get the money to buy all of these things? Where?
What kind of lame question is that? You know where I got the money from?
If I knew where you got the money from, I would be asking you. So tell me, where did you get money to buy all of this?
Okay, I got it from the water company.
What? So knowing what the company has been going through, you have the mind to go into the company's account to buy things, Kosi. Why would you do that?
Why are you shouting? Tell me, why are you shouting? I just took my own national cake. Besides, Julian and I are in this together. We took our own national cake. Please, Calm down.
Are you okay? My goodness. You guys are unbelievable. You and Julian. Oh my God. So you guys are the cause of what is going on in that company. So you knew what the company has been going through all this while, and you have the mind to still launch into the company's account to make expenses. You have been crippling the company behind us. God! Why? Why are you guys stealing from the company? Why?
Point of correction. We took, not steal. I beg. My pay?
Hello, Gilbert. How are you? How's mom and dad? I'm doing okay, thank you. Listen to me. Listen. You know what? Just send me your account details. I'll send some money across. But can you listen? I need you to keep it safe. Do not touch it. I'm serious. Yes. Have you not been listening to me? As soon as it hits your account, don't touch it. A simple instruction. No, send it right away. I'll do it now. Okay. Sure. At least now I can embezzle the company's funds and pamper myself. What a life. Oh, Gilbert, right on time. Okay. App transfer. Not now, network. Not now. Okay. Yep. No, more. I should just add more, yeah. Okay. Yes, sent. Okay. Hello, Gilbert? Yes, I just sent you ₦1 million now. Check. You should have received it. Just check. Please, don't forget what I said. Don't touch it. Whenever I need it, I'll ask for it. And make sure to send it immediately, okay? Yes, thank you. Okay, now there, brother. Who says money is evil? That person is yet to taste money and power. Oh, what? Why don't I just go for shopping? Yes, shopping it is. And here comes the princess. The princess of Mama's clan. Time to go shopping. Time to go shopping. Oh, the spa section. Yes, I should do the spa section. That makes no sense.
Yeah, I'm going to... Ray. We are losing money already.
Hold on, let me call you back. What is it? Why are you shouting like that?
We are losing money already. Like you don't know? Look at the file. We're losing money already.
How? What happened?
Do you know that the bunch of idiots we employed, they don't have any working experience? Go to the factory and see the kind of damages that we are running here.
What?
You don't understand. We are running into damages every day. We are losing money.
I remember when we had an interview on these people, you were part of it. And I asked them if they had working experience. They said yes, you were there. And you even supported one or two. Now see what you're talking.
I was there for real. Yes, I was there. But what I'm telling you right now is you need to get up, turn off this AC, and take your ass to the factory to see what is going on there. So many damages happening there.
And it has been like this from the very first day we employed all of them. What? I am telling you, you need to get up from that place and let's go to the factory. I think this AC is not even helping matter. I need to turn off this AC. Sir, we will get up from there and do the needful. Get up from there and go to the factory so you can see things yourself.
What's the meaning of this now? What's wrong with you?
What I'm asking you to do is to get up from the seat and go to the factory to see things yourself. We are losing money, man. We're losing millions.
What really happened? What is it?
It's obvious from the way you're asking. Doesn't mean your wife has not told you what is going on. Your wife, who is the new accountant of the company, has not told you anything.
No.
Oh my God. Why? Why hasn't she told you anything about it? Well, Kosi, my wife, told me that we're losing money every day. As a matter of fact, on a daily basis, the file is showing that we're losing millions, like we're running to millions every day.
What?
If we are not careful, we are going to run bankrupt, like bankrupt, and we're going to shut down.
How come?
You're asking me.
How come my wife has not told me anything of this?
She was the one that told me that we're losing money every day. And this money are running to millions. And when I try to talk to you, what do? I am the first son, I am the first son, I am the first son. This is all you give me.
Of course, I am the first son.
So what? We're losing money here.
Come on, let's go. Mind the way you talk to me.
Okay, come, let's go to the factory. Let me not wait for you. Please come, let's go. Don't wait for you, please.
What is
I told you. When I was saying it, you didn't understand what I was trying to tell you. You have gone there to see things yourself.
This is just a very big loss in this company. A big loss.
You see, I could remember when we were taking this company from where we took it from. You insisted that we should fire everyone in the line of production. You and Julian said, fire this person, fire that person. You literally fired everyone that you felt that was a constraint, hindering your services and positions. I was trying to tell you then, let us preserve some persons in that same department. What did you do?
Do not push the blame on me, please.
Oh, I shouldn't push the blame on you. I shouldn't push the blame on you. When you allowed Julia and your wife to toss you around like a coin.
Hey.
You know how they flip a coin? And that's how she flips you.
Remove my wife out of this.
Is it possible to expunge your wife out of this conversation when your wife and Kosi are busy stealing money from the company's account and giving themselves treats? You're acting as if you don't know. Like a breaking news, isn't it?
What?
Yes, of course. Your wife and Kosi have been stealing money from the company's account, giving themselves numerous treats. Haven't you been seeing that yourself?
This will look really good on me. At least to bring out all my curves on this beautiful body. It's a banger. Oh my God. Okay.
Julie.
Yes, baby.
What's going on?
What does it look like is going on?
Where are these things coming from?
My brother Gilbert sent them.
Gilbert?
Yes.
Sent these clothes?
Yes, I just got them from the courier now. What do you think?
I thought you said Gilbert is yet to get a job after his NIC. So how come and where did he get the money to buy all these clothes and send to you? Yes, or is he doing Yahoo now?
Excuse you? God forbid. Why would you even think that? Come on. Well, Gilbert got a contract.
Okay.
And after executing the contract, he made so much money and decided to spoil his sister. What do you think about this one? What do you think of this?
I'm happy for him. Gilbert got money to send all these expensive clothes to you? Gilbert?
Yes, Gilbert. Who else? This is... this is a steal. He really gets me. He gets me. Oh my God. What do you think?
Aye. Goodness gracious.
Now I understand. Now I see why our mom was so determined. Now I see why she was so vehement in her position on not relinquishing this inheritance to us. What have we done with this inheritance? Within a short period of time that we took over this company. Did you see what we have done with it? We have literally ruined everything. Everything they worked for.
My God. I made a very big mistake by allowing my wife become the accountant of this company.
But you're saying this now when I was trying to make a point that let this woman from Kogi State not be the accountant. You said she's related to Yaya Bello, that they know how to manage money very well. They have proven that their blood is the same.
Private. Mom?
What impudence. If you don't get your stupid selves out of that company in the next 24 hours, I will make sure you rot in jail.
Mom, I am not going anywhere. Because I am the first son of our family. This company is my inheritance.
Our inheritance, plural. Say it properly.
You have from now till tomorrow to call back to office all the staff that you fired.
Mom, we're not going anywhere. Things remain the way they are. We're in charge now.
Do not dare me, for you know I can tear you to shreds.
Whatever.
Tell me, what do we do? Now that Mom has gotten the glimpse of what is going on in the company, what do we do?
Nothing.
You do nothing. Which one is nothing? Now why would you say nothing? You know that our mom is capable of doing so many things. You're sounding as if you don't even know our mom again. Please, the earlier we begin to think, or rather you begin to think on how to salvage this whole mess that is happening here, the better.
No matter what happens, I'm still the Diobala. I'm still the first son of the family.
He said, Nobu Diobala, and I call Yeri. Is that the way forward? No, I'm asking you.
Please, next time, do not insult me. I won't take it again.
I shouldn't insult you.
Don't insult me next time.
No, but why would you keep praising the friends that you would apply? What about me? Am I not part of the inheritance?
In a tomato, I am the first son.
No, you're the first son, but the inheritance belongs to the both of us. Oh, yes.
Oh, man, you're talking.
I know I'm worried. I know I'm so worried.
Why are you fidgeting? If you're not married,
I don't want to go to jail.
We are running into huge loss and Raymond should be blamed for it.
How could he allow such to happen? He caused all this.
You know Raymond now. He doesn't listen to advice. He's the first son and should be left with whatever decision he has taken.
Honestly, I know Mama C will not be happy about this when she flies back into the country.
That woman is a demon.
Kosi, how dare you talk about your godmother in such manner?
Mommy, I hate that woman. I despise her. I wish she would just crash in that flight and die.
Kosi.
Yes, Mama. Let her die so that my husband can inherit his inheritance.
Will you shut up? Kosi, you have lost it. What is all this? How can you wish such evil to befall your own mother-in-law? Huh? Now listen. That water company does not belong to your late father-in-law. It belongs to Charity. She owns it, not her late husband. You see, your husband and his brother, they are just lazy. Busy fighting over their father's inheritance, fighting over a will, instead of them to fend for their family, cater for their family like every other normal family man. And you're there supporting him.
Mommy, they are right now.
Right. Kosi, you know Mama C is my friend. The reason she's your godmother. The late Chief Wilson said, read my will after 6 years. 5 years has gone. Why can't you people just wait for 1 more year instead of killing yourself and fighting over an inheritance? Over a will. What is all this?
Look at what is going on. This is the very reason Mama C refused them to access the water company. So that they understand the reason for Mama C's action. Inheritance. Now things are no longer the same. In a short period of time, things are no longer the same. Kai.
Kosi, your mother-in-law is not wicked. She's only obeying the wish of her late husband.
At the detriment of their sons and their wives?
Kosi, I can see your misguided energy is trying to ruin your marriage in that family.
Well, since she has refused to do what is required of her, we have decided to take our destinies in our hand. We now run the water company.
And the water company is in ruins.
Who told you that?
I know. I know you people cannot handle that company. I know you can handle it the way she would. Now money is finished. Kosi, how could you? How could you do this to a woman who loves you so much? Who loves you to the point of making you her daughter-in-law? What changed, Kosi?
Everything changed. After losing my father-in-law, Chief Okonkwo Wilson, Madam Charity became greedy.
Hell no, Kosi. I know Charity. She loves her sons and she loves her daughter-in-law. All she wanted was the good of the family. Why can't you people just wait a little? Why can't you just be a little patient and what you seek will be in your hands?
How are you? I'm okay. I just got back into the country. Don't get too excited. Don't let anyone know, okay? I want to take them all by surprise. Okay, see you soon. Bye. Driver?
Yes, ma'am.
Take me straight to the Central Police Station.
You see, you caused all these things. You and your wife.
My wife?
Had it been you listened to me, this wouldn't have happened.
You should be blaming your wife and not my wife.
No, it's because of your stupidity. Because somebody may go in my head, this thing wouldn't happen.
Was it not your opinion to make that your short entry from Kogi State the accountant of this company? Were you not the one that suggested that we should make that short girl the accountant of this company? So I said my own wife.
And then I later told you what I told you. What did you do?
But I did what I was supposed to do.
Because you always want to talk to me as if I'm your mate.
No, you're not sitting up to responsibility, Dimma.
Listen.
You're not sitting up to responsibility.
Listen, I'm the first son of this family.
Nonsense.
Mind the way you talk to me.
No, you should sit up to your responsibility and
mind
not
the way
tell
you
me
talk because
mind the way I talk to you.
How many bro want them?
I come out of Gogi. Olivia, will break down now. Insult me again and see. You were the one that went to Kogi and married that shop engine that my mom never liked before. I'm an animal. You're insulting me. You're insulting me. You're an idiot. I am telling you, I'm telling you. Cambodia. You were deported when you went down. When you there, I will break your neck. I will break your neck now. Don't take my friend. Hey, I'm going. Hey, come here. So what's the problem? What is it? Move. You're under arrest. Now. Move. Who are you? Move. I said move from state CID. Move. Move. Okay, move. If you touch me again, on your reality, come on, move. That was how you married the shots. Yes. Hey, Moro. Follow him. Follow him. How are you? Let's go. Mama, move. Wow, this is a criminal. Follow him. Don't call me criminal again. I'll teach you a lesson. Move. No, don't worry. Hey, Mom. Move. Let me not disrespect you. You brought police on me? Oh, you should arrest him. Arrest him. Your mother. No, arrest him. Move, my friend. Kesum? Yes. I'm not now, so. Yes. Because I'm so responsible. Yes. Okay? I'm so responsible. Ask my mother. No. I am so responsible. She gave us the authority. Move. On a man won't suffer, mommy. On a man won't suffer. Move it, my friend. Move it, my friend. Your balance, move it. I'm the first son. And you know it. Okay, let's go. Mama.
I am tired of all this drama. When will it end? When will it end? I am trying to not give up on my children.
Nonsense. Total nonsense. Children that are not ready to take responsibility of their life shouldn't be called children. Honestly.
Mom, you need to take it easy.
What guts? What impudence? Are you not the one driving a cab? Trying to make a living for yourself? Meanwhile, those ones are there, waiting for their father's will to be read, so that they can destroy what took my husband and I years to build all in one day. No, it's not happening. And their wives are not even helping matters.
You need to take it on yourself so you won't trigger your BP.
I am a strong woman. If not, I would have joined my husband since.
I don't know why children that are born with golden spoon, they can't stay and take care of their father's legacy, their father's money. Instead of that, they squander the money the way they like.
Not all of them. But you see, my own children, they're so lazy and undiplomatic. They're just waiting to hear their father's will read, and then they do whatever they like. Can you believe that their wives have tried 3 times to kill me?
Jesus.
Oh, God, Jesus. If not for that little girl that God sent to save my life, Chinaza, I would have been long gone.
Man, you have to be very careful.
I am careful. This time around, they will not know what hits them.
Gitson, come and open the gate now.
I won't be that way. You know, alarm is late for inside.
Are you really asking me that question? Go and open the gate.
Now who did you want to open the gate?
The owner of the house is here, so go and open the gate.
Now wait if I tell me since be that now. So that I know what I do.
Please be fast.
It's what you do.
Mama Mercy.
Hello, my darling. Oh,
good
so
to see
nice
you.
to see you. How are you?
I'm fine.
And what kept you from opening the gate?
Madam, I'm in the sleep.
You in the sleep?
Yes.
Who are you?
Man, I may be the new gate. My name now Odo.
Odo. Before I close my eyes and open them, I want you out of my compound.
Ma?
No, it's not a question of ma. Except you want to find yourself behind bars. Pack your things and leave my compound.
Madam, no verse now. Oh, yeah, sorry now. Sorry, ma. Sorry, madam. Madam, I never reached no verse.
I don't want to repeat myself, else you'll find yourself behind bars. My darling, I miss you too.
Madam. Madam, I come new.
So, I've transferred your money, alright? And I'll give you my card.
Yes, hello. Inspector Johnson. Oh, I think you called the wrong number. What exactly is going on? Kosi, are you in the police station? What are you doing in the CPS? Oh, I warned you. I warned you, Kosi. I told you to take it easy with this thing. Now you've been detained. Please, I will call you back later. What is all this? Ha! This girl.
You're still in this compound? Will you leave my compound?
Madam. I'm not going to go like that. Madam, they never pay me for this month. Mr. Raymond never give me money. How I want to go without nothing now?
Is that all? This should cover whatever it is they're owing you. Just get out of my compound. Leave immediately. Here you are hustling, and my sons are there clamoring for their inheritance. It's crazy. It's really, really crazy. Yes. Anyway, I've settled you, right? I've transferred your money and given you my card. Call me anytime you need my help, okay? So nice of you taking me to the police station and bringing me back home. Thank you so much. Okay. All right. Naza? Yeah, okay then. Naza!
Mama, see. Please. You just have to let this go.
It's not possible. You know what? All that is happening around here, they have to stay in that jail for some time so that their brains would reset.
Please. I beg you. Temper justice with mercy.
Hell no. No way. It's not happening. I don't understand what these people were thinking of in the first place. Eh? Asking for their inheritance. 1 year. I just asked them for 1 year, then they will get everything. Yet they refused. What do you call that?
I have spoken with Kosi. I have warned her against the danger she's delving into.
Kosi. Kosi? God. How do I begin to tell you what Kosi said to me? Right into my face, Kosi called me a witch. Oh yes, as if that wasn't enough. She asked me, what are you doing here? Your mates are dead and buried.
What?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yes.
This is unbelievable.
No, better.
Kosi.
Kosi, your daughter. You see, she and her cohorts, I don't know what they're up. If they're here right now, I will say exactly what they've said and more.
Oh, no. No. I didn't raise Kosi this way. What changed?
I don't know. I used to love Kosi. Kosi was, I loved her like I would love my own daughter if I had one. And that's why I recommended her as a wife for my son. I mean, what did I do wrong?
Honestly, I am short of words. Kosi.
Oh, goodness. Hello, Richard. Oh, Richard, there's nothing good about the afternoon. How come all these things were happening and you did not even deem it fit to call me? You mean they threw you out? This is unbelievable. I can just imagine what you must have gone through in the hands of those soldiers. I'm so sorry about this. I'm sorry about that. But you know what? I want you to resume work with immediate effect. First thing tomorrow morning, okay? No, don't thank me. I should be the one saying sorry for what you must have gone through. So sorry about that. Okay, all right, take care. Oh, God. Imagine innocent people. Hello, Basil. How are you? I heard what you guys went through, and I'm really sorry about that. Yes, I'm back, and I expect you to be back. Get back to work ASAP. All right? All right, you have a good day.
I have prayed, I have cried, I have tried my best to change them. The more I try, the more I fail. Who can help me? Who can help me? I am tired of all this drama. When will it end? When will it end? I am trying to not give up on my children. It breaks my heart to see them so. It breaks my heart when I look at my children. Why am I unlucky with them? This is so unfair. I have prayed, I have cried, I have tried my best to change them. The more I try, the more I fail. Who can help me? Who can help me? I am tired of all this drama. When will it end? When will it end? I am trying to...
Don't forget to make the soup I asked you to make.
Okay.
You remember? Edikaiko.
Very well.
All right? So you use chicken, not goat meat. I'm not crazy about goat meat.
Okay. Uyom kemfi?
I don't want that che. No, please.
No mfi. Okay, I should not put mfi.
No mfi.
Okay, ma.
All right?
Yes, ma.
And be fast about it.
Yes, ma. Save your and drive carefully.
God, I can't believe this. We lost 50 million naira within 2 months. Do you know what this would do to the company?
Ma, this is crazy. A whooping sum of 50 million naira.
Oh my God. What did I do to them? What did I do to my sons and their wives that would warrant them bringing me to this situation? What did I do?
Ma, I think we have to go for a loan in order to weather the storm.
No, please. A loan is not an option.
Ma, we just have to get back on our feet again.
Since me I come back to this house, since yesterday, I never use this my 2 I see Madam C son's wives. What's happened now?
Now true. I won't be asked the question. But I don't check. I can't say who I go ask for.
Chinaza told me Mama arrested them yesterday when she got back from the US. Yes.
You good though?
So now they don't carry them put inside prison.
Not prison, just cell, police station.
Now prison they put them. Make them day inside that prison they rack wheels. Property. Property, now the same thing. Now the same thing.
You good though?
Very good.
No wonder. I can't the reason they check say yesterday night everywhere they cool. Maybe every time fight. I sleep, I wake up like a small baby.
You wait even they outside, you they complain. What about we where they inside us where we they pakam property wheels give me no me property wheels me every time I know they sleep. Thank God, oh, now I can sleep like a baby.
You good?
Actually, if not because Mama is a good woman, I would have left this job a long time ago.
For me, good like this, so make the Kukuma give them special room for that prison, so.
Alone.
Yes, ma.
Is not an option.
Ma, we do not have a choice. All our effort to get Crystal Water Company to get to the top 10 has been dashed.
I don't know what I did to those children. Anyway, I will take action later. Just take this. I'll get back to you.
All right, ma. I beg to take my leave.
You know what's in they surprise me? Why person will get 2 hand? Hand means God give them 2 hand like this. Like the way I carry these 2 hand like this. But they no can use them. What? Why?
No, actually, children of wealthy parents, they don't like to do anything with their lives. They rather prefer to squander the money their parents left for them.
Which can talk with that one? Now these people lazy so. They're too lazy.
The man.
Now today chop the small one where the poor man keep before he die.
No, the man is not a poor man, it's a rich man.
So
because the man they rich now, the children no go work.
That's just it. You don't expect them to do any work. You just have to keep enjoying the wealth their late father left for them.
Okay, I don't see they no go work because the father left too much wealth for them. So that's a right. You're supposed to work.
Yes, now. For my side, would they forbid that? Now, bad thing it be. You know go they chop your papa money. You go they hustle your own too. No go chop your papa money.
See me, I like waiting this woman they do them. Ah, Jesus. I like waiting Mama see they do them. They sweet me from my heart. It sweet me from my heart. The way they torture them every time. They don't go see that wheels.
Hannah, he good. She they train them. Now good training she they give them.
Yeah, she's such a nice woman. In fact, her benevolence is second to none.
Thank you. It's a good woman. There is what Oyibo calls good people. They say philastron.
Is it philanthropist?
Thank you. Philanthropist. Philanthropist.
She's a good woman. She good. I must say good.
She's a philanthropist woman.
Officer, I'd like to know if you've been able to recover my monies from Gilbert and either Mary Rose or Mel Rose. I'm not sure which of that is her name.
Mama, see, Julian's brother Gilbert had already squandered 3.5 million naira out of 5 million naira Julian sent to him. That boy is a criminal.
He sure is a criminal. And what about Melrose, Mary Rose? Were you able to recover her money?
Mama, see, we recovered the whole 3 million naira Kosi gave her to keep for her.
Oh, that's good to hear. Okay, I guess there's nothing I can do. But I would appreciate it if you can release them. Just let them be, let them go.
Mama, see, are you sure you want me to release them?
Yeah, sure. Well, let's settle it as a family because that's really what we are.
I suggest they should stay in that cell for 1 week so that the cellmates will reset their brain.
That's okay. Let them come home. We'll settle here.
Well, I don't have any option. If you insist,
I do insist.
I will release them once I leave. Take me.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Family is important.
Mom, so after arresting me and detaining me and the police net, you still have the gut to call me for a meeting? Huh?
Well, the fact is, if there's anything to be said, please just go ahead and say it. I need to leave this place. I have somewhere to go.
The problem now is, every time you call for a meeting, all the time you do. And for once, we've never arrived at any consensus. So, what's the need for all these incessant meetings?
Well, I called for this meeting because I wanted to hear you all speak and be able to decide on one or two things. Well, it is obvious that after what you all did in my water company, none of you is showing any remorse. Well, that shows you why I never wanted any of you to run my company in the first place. None of you is smart enough to know what to do. No business ideas, nothing.
Mom, I, Anderson, will never, I don't even understand. I can't withstand another person running that company. How?
Anderson, please shut up. What do you know? Which company are you talking about? There's nothing you can do that you've not already done. So let's talk about something else.
Mom, what are you saying? Crystal Water Company should be handled by us and not total strangers from nowhere. It doesn't make any sense.
Crystal Table Water, and that's your name, right? It's still your name. Happens to be my company. And nobody tells me who would run it. I decide on who runs my company. And that's fine now.
Story for the gods. Agopa.
Story for the gods indeed. I mean, look at you. Adults. Loss of 50 million naira within 2 months. That company was on the verge of collapsing if not for my timely intervention. Nobody's running that company. If you dare come close to that company, you will not like what I will do to you.
Mom, leave that company for us. Allow me. It's my inheritance. Please.
Why don't you say our inheritance, plural? Stop making this the same.
Over my dead body.
What are you saying?
Say what happened?
See, what happened?
Football left England, it's in Spain now.
No, they talk.
You know see wetin Barca they do?
Uchi Barca. Look, I tell you.
How many Champions League yes you don't carry?
So they talk. England still hold the game, we don't know.
You know see wetin Barca footballers do for World Cup.
Where's Sterling? Where's Sterling? Don't just open mouth.
Tell me where the benyas. Tell me where the benyas. Now that one they talk.
Hey. Why you dey run?
Hey! Something they happen, no. There is fire on the mountain. Run.
Mercy, calm down.
Hey, side.
What's going on?
Talk now. Hey, what happened?
You don't know what they happen inside like this. They fight. Upper court, bro, from where left and center.
Inside?
Yes. Madam just called the family meeting. He talks say my son come out. His wife make him come out. When they come tell him, say, since they take over the company, 50 million naira don't miss.
50 million what?
50 million naira don't loss.
Now wow. What thing they do these people say? Why they won't use their hand? Scatter the business we organ madam suffer build.
You don't see him now?
I don't understand. Why would they be this careless and callous?
Madam still get good heart, go command them from prison. Madam for even allow them to they inside that prison. So that they go get sense. Now that good heart make that woman go command them. Now see her 50 million naira.
Young. Since this one are money misroad. Because if not me, get 50 million, I go put things. I go they build things they keep. They invest, they keep what was there.
Come in for shut up your mouth. Come in for
Build. Concentrate and do this your security work, my friend. Build with mouth. Talk is cheap, my friend.
Make you no be like say I do they talk too much. I won't go back, go the listen very well. I go come back.
Go.
I dey come. You go push me like that. Come down. I mean they bring the information. Go dey push me.
Take it easy now. The information minister. Minister for information.
Record. Conscious. Record to work.
Video. Look what? You never dye your ear with your eye before. Go look what's that. I don't come out. Come.
War gathered upon this place. There will be war in this house if you do not release what is rightfully mine. I am the first son of this family, and I demand that my right should be given to me. Else, you're going to lock me again. You're going to lock me again. Just get ready to lock me again, and you'll be the person to come and bail me.
You know, you can't do more than a rotten dead rat. If you try any nonsense, I will deal with you, Raymond. You will see the beast in me.
Mama, see, it's obvious you don't even have the fear of God in you. Because if you have the fear of God in you, you will release our inheritance so that there can be peace in this house. Are you enjoying this chaos here and there? Release this inheritance. Let everybody go their way.
Anderson, that still happens to be your name, right?
Mom, that's my name.
Do not bring out the lioness in me, because you will not be able to handle it. I, Charity Okonkwo, alias Mama C, when I promise I'm going to deal with someone, I carry it out to the letter. So don't try any nonsense with me. Anyway, the reason I invited you all for this meeting is because I have a revelation I want to lay on the table.
Time for Jesus.
Chinaza, who served this food? Mercy! Mercy!
Ma?
Who served this food?
I served the food, ma.
You served the food?
Yes,
ma. Thank you. You can go back to the kitchen.
Okay.
Have you eaten?
Yes, ma'am.
You sure?
Yeah.
Good.
I am sure she ate the food this time around. That little witch did not throw it away. This time around, Madame Christie would die like chicken.
And I can't wait to spit on her remains.
Her greed has led her to her early grave. Imagine an old woman telling men what to do and what not to do. Let her die and go and join her husband in the great beyond.
And I can't wait for that moment when a song will be sung just to mourn her passing. And I'm certain she will definitely pass on during her sleep. And I can't wait to look at her lifeless body and laugh and laugh and laugh until I'm tired of laughing.
At least she will allow us enjoy our marriages with our husbands.
Good riddance to bad rubbish.
We need to start looking for a way to fake cry tomorrow morning. Because tomorrow morning go red. You need to see the way I will cry. I will throw myself up. The way I will throw myself down. I'll be crying as if I lost a husband. Let me just show you. Wait. Mama, see you. That's why. That's why. That's why did you take away this righteous woman? Mama. See you.
And I will join you. Gladly join you. And I will do.
Oh, Mama, see. Who will I come mother-in-law again? Oh, who will I come mother-in-law again? Oh. Somebody hold me. I want to kill myself. Oh, that you are too cruel. That you are too cruel.
I'm dying.
Mama, see.
Please help me.
Which goes to me? Am I a doctor? I beg go. Biku, don't even call my name. Which one is
Please. Julia, I know you have to give you my kindness. Please help.
Mama, see. Can you hurry up and die so that we can inherit our inheritance? Hurry up. You're taking too long.
What's going on here? Mama, see. Why is she on the floor? Is she rehearsing something?
I don't know.
Help your mother, please.
Hi.
Please
She
help.
said her intestines.
Oh, Mama, see, nice rehearsals. Okay, you videoing it?
I just said you always been a good son. My intestines!
You send it to me through Zenda later, eh?
I don't think I have time for this. No, just call this get man. Make on car and put this icon.
Oh, yes, that's true.
I don't get that for this kind of thing.
Oh.
I don't know, I beg. I beg, I don't collect the video for my page.
Can you please make me noodles? I'm hungry.
do you want it pepperish?
A bit of pepper, but make sure you make it with corned beef.
Okay, no problem. Would you want the egg fried or boiled?
Boiled.
Okay, I know what you want.
Mama, see. Hey, die now. What are you saying? Die! Just be fast. You're taking too long.
Basil, stop the car.
Mama, see. Is everything okay? I mean, are you fine?
I am fine.
Oh, you're fine. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Mama, you mean you didn't eat that food?
No, I did not eat it.
Oh, yes.
I was just pretending. I wanted to see what the reaction of my children would be.
But, Mama, see, why are you doing all this?
I just said it. You know what we're going to do? Basil, you drive us back to the house. In the dead of the night, I'm going to sneak back into the house when nobody would see me. All right?
All right, ma.
So just drive us back.
Okay, ma.
I'm happy. Do you know that when I went in to announce your death to them, they didn't feel anything. None of them feel anything.
It's okay. I wasn't expecting them to feel anything. I'm sure they're all happy, thinking that the stumbling block is out of their way.
Mama, do you know what Uncle Raymond did? He went into your room in search of your documents and your credit cards.
Raymond doesn't know his mother too well. Of course, I knew that would be their next line of action. I took everything out of the house. There's no single document in this building.
Wow, that was smart of you.
Oh well, it's so disappointing. But that's not a problem. I will take my time to find out the kind of children that I gave birth to. As for those, their wives, I will handle them at my own time. That's not any problem. But for now, the battle is still on. Keep your eyes on them. Alright?
Okay. Please go inside my room. Let me go inside my room so that I'll know what they're doing.
I'll just wait a bit. Hurry back. I don't like standing out here alone. Is this what my children would have done if I died? I mean, they've done it already, believing I'm dead. Oh my God. I can't believe this. They don't take me care. I can't believe this. What have I done to deserve this? Not even one of them. With their wives. Oh my God. My children are lost to breed. Raymond? Anderson, I'm highly disappointed at both of you. Your wives, Julian and Kosi, tried 3 times to take my life. But God saved me through Chinaza. Is it not crazy? You know, when I mentioned the death of the dog, Bingo, that died from eating poison, you all took it for granted. If I had been the one that had taken that food, I would have been dead by now. All because of inheritance. Anyway, I would have gotten them arrested for attempted murder, but since they're family, I decided against it. Well, there's a decision that I have decided to take. Instead of sending them out, they can stay. You people can stay. But henceforth, I will not feed any of you in this house. Neither would anyone leave this compound with my car. I think you people are old enough, man enough, women enough to go out there and look for a job just like any other person. Do I make myself clear? I rest my case.
All your mama do is just to show you love. In return, all you give is wickedness. Please change your ways before it's too late. Cause all you think about is your inheritance. The things that you do will give you no gain. Oh, yet you know.
Yes. No. I'll come and pick it. It's fine. Sure. What the hell are you doing in my house, Kosi?
Mom, this is my father's house. Are you saying I'm not welcome to my father's house?
No, you're not. I won't spare you a second in this house. How dare you? How dare you, Kosi, poison a woman who practically took you as a child and begged her son to marry you?
Mom, I wouldn't have done that if she didn't stand on my way.
I begged you. I begged you to talk to your husband and his brother. To be a little patient. I remember telling you that that water company does not belong to your late father-in-law, but to Charity.
Mom, that woman is wicked and mean at the same time.
Oh no. Kosi, you are so ungrateful. Have you forgotten the role that woman played in your education when your father died? You practically schooled under her scholarship. Kosi, how dare you bite a finger that fed you? What demon took over you?
Mom, most of the blame should be given to her. If she had done the needful, all this wouldn't have happened.
Kosi, if Charity had decided to go by the law, you would have been in jail by now. Now get out of my house. Out of my house!
Mom, the house is on fire. Oh, the heat is too much. Let it calm down.
Really? The same fire you and Julian ignited. Now it's burning and you want to take cover in my house. Hell no, Kosi! Get out of my house! Out!
Mom, I don't understand.
Get out!
Are you saying I can't stay in my own father's house?
No, and I mean every single one of it. Now get out! Out! Get out!
God share you they see am. This woman na better person. Aye, this woman will be saying okay, whatever for in life na better person. But the core of the orphan, the core of the poor, the core of the widow, no go allow them succeed. In Jesus' name.
Amen. Oh. Amen. That's so it will be. Amen.
She has lived all her life for the less privileges. She even goes out of her way to make others feel comfortable, regardless. But now, see what has befallen her. But one thing is certain. As long as there's a God, and I know there is God in heaven.
Yes.
There is God in heaven. Nothing shall by any means harm her.
Yes.
Their plan against her will not work.
Amen. They no go ever kill that woman. They no go ever kill Mommy Sisi. Her life go dey safe.
Wait, she's children supposed to bring blessing to the family, not cause. Why your own children they bring problem all the time, cause all the time. They even want you and the people to kill their mama.
God has a way of doing his thing. Now see, the poor innocent girl that she adopted, feeds, clothes, even trained in school. That little girl is who God is using to save her from all these impending dangers. Is God not great?
Yes, so. But you see, Tinasa, they no go ever go close to Tinasa, or they no go see him.
Tinasa? Mark, I tell you, they no go ever come close to that girl. Yeah, if they come close to her, I go keep person. Even their if we touch that girl, I go rain the hair down, burn her fire.
It has not gotten to that now.
Tinasa, my wife. Now me go marry her.
I don't understand. Tinasa is your wife. Since when?
Wait, you did? Oh, no. Now me go later come marry Chinasa if she finish her university. I dey wait make she finish university. Make I come my people. Make we come pay bride price. Make I carry and the whole.
I dey look you as you dey wrong like this. You see as you wrong like this. But I say keep quiet. If to say you dey a fresh eye, I forgive you uppercut from here. You dey craze. You want marry Tinasa? Wetin do the one where you don't put belle keep for Imo State?
Imo State. I'm not be Imo State too. I be Anambra boy. One Fibo.
Oh, you Anambra. Oh, you're na the same thing.
And people were there for village there. Now my people married and keep for me. Now Chinasa, I go carry do fifth wife, my youngest princess. And they wait to make she finish university, make I come with my people, pay high price, carry him. She like me, I like him too. So when I come down, when he ready, I go tell her I invite her for my wedding.
Now me even they get time, they tell to talk to you. Hey, mommy, see God.
They don't go kill him. Chinasa, they don't go kill him, lie. They don't go
kill
him.
Cry, mommy, see, leave Chinasa.
Make I cry my own now. Make I cry my own. Cry your own. Cry mommy see. Make I cry for my love. Mommy see, they no go kill you in Jesus' name. Chinasa, they no go kill you at all.
Kosi, I will not allow you spend a night in this house. If you can do what you did to Madam Charity to her. Kosi, I do not know you. You are capable of anything.
You cannot send me out of my father's house.
Oh,
yes.
We shall see. No, come and sleep. Look at me. Thinking that my daughter cannot hurt a fly. I did not know that you were the devil incarnate like your late father.
Mom, continue raging. When you're done raging, you cannot send me out from my father's house.
Which father's house? No! What father's house are you talking about? If you do not leave my house now, I will shout and attract the neighbors, and you will know I will not hesitate to tell them what you did. Get out!
No problem. I'm leaving.
Kosi Swekwensu.
I did not come here to banter.
Get out! Silly child. Go back to the fire you set. You think my house is a hiding place? Rubbish.
All your mama do is just to show you love. In return, all you give is wickedness. Please change your ways before it's too late. Cause all you think about is your inheritance. The things that you do will give you no gain. Oh, yet you know all the things that you do will bring you no gain. One day you will pay for your sins. Oh,
God. I can't even face my mother-in-law after all I did to her. Where do I run to? I don't even have a hiding place. I don't know. Should I run to the village? Oh. No. Or maybe I should go to my friend's place. Oh, no. Not after all I did to Mary Rose. Mama, see, the police and I. Oh. She slept in the cell for doing absolutely nothing.
Hello, madam. I'm Inspector Victor Okonkwo from the State CID. Your attention is needed at our office right now. Please, come with me. Now, follow me.
Oh God! Oh God! Kosi Sochuku! You allowed greed and insensitivity get the best part of you. Okay, tell me, where will you go now? Where will you go? I don't even know where to go. I don't know. Where will you go? Where?
Who would have thought that Kosi Sochuku, who looks so innocent, would want to poison her mother-in-law to death? Children of nowadays. Ever since she graduated and returned from youth service, she has decided not to secure a job for herself. All they do in that house is waste away time, lazy about, whilst that old woman works her ass out to give them what they wanted. Now she has decided to wash her hands off them. Let's see what becomes of them. Kosi, my own child. Ha!
Biscuit. Good evening. How are you? And visit. Our company will bounce back sooner than you think.
Yes.
Things are beginning to pick up. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Where's Mr. Richard?
I have not seen him today.
Oh, really? Well, whatever it is you people are doing, I would like you to add speed to it.
Okay.
We need to make up for lost time and lost money too.
Definitely.
You get what I mean?
Yes,
And also, you need to get the sales boy on ground.
Okay.
Get them ASAP because very soon we're stepping out there to continue what we know how to do best.
Definitely.
But in the meantime, I would love you to go to the store, take inventory of the pure water bags that are there. We can't afford to lose anything at this point in time.
Not again, ma'am.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, definitely.
I'll look at this later. Let me
Alright.
finish with what I'm
I
doing.
get to take my leave, ma'am. You can count on me, ma'am.
I'll count on you always. And please tell Mr. Richard to see me whenever you find him.
Okay, sir.
Oh, I am hungry. What kind of wickedness is this? Eh? How can Mama leave us to starve to death? She will cook. They will finish the food. She will not give us. Oh. And listen, and Raymond, they've been job hunting all over the town. Nobody will employ them. Reason best known to them. What kind of thing is this? Julian, I'm hungry.
Wait, is that why you teleported from that place to this place? No. Do you know I managed to beg this bread? I begged and begged that provision woman down the road before she managed to even give me on credit. Please don't do that.
Julian, I haven't eaten since morning.
Me, uncle, do I look like I'm overfed? I've not eaten either.
Julian, it's not good though. We are co-wives. Everything we've done in this house, we practically did everything together.
Look at the kind of family we are married into. Look at it. Look at it. Yet nothing.
Please, Julian.
What kind of thing is this one now? Ha. See, the only reason I want to just give you this bread is because both of us were partners in crime. Don't look at it, I will give you. Wait. Maybe like someone that I've not seen food before. Hunger.
This bread is small.
Hi.
Small.
It's small. Yet you put it inside your mouth. Why did you return it?
Hunger.
Instead of you to be grateful, it's small, and you ate it. What is not good? Life is not good, it's not fair. When I was saying that Mama said she should just die and leave us to enjoy our life, they were saying, that Koguma has started again.
Water.
Yeah. Hey, this is serious. I don't understand. Must you beg for everything?
Let me wash down the bread. Small, please. Let me just wash it down.
It was small, now you want to wash down.
Julian, it's just water.
First off, you asked for bread, I gave you. Now you're asking for water. Maybe very soon now you will ask me for my left hand. Before you say hunger, I want to kill you. Let not look like Julian is wicked. So I will do you a favor. Take. Sit, Kosi, sit. Let me go. Bread, Guinea. Is it your bread?
I didn't say it's my own.
Go to where they sell bread. It's your credit. When they are dragging me to pay mortgage tomorrow or loan that I need to collect bread. No, you no go reach.
I'm begging you. This thing. Give me bread now.
Give you waiting. You did not say so. Let me.
Please, I beg you, please spare my life, please. Please.
Shut up, Uma. You're a dead body, and dead people don't talk.
I will give you any amount you want, just mention it. I promise you, I will pay you whatever you ask for, please.
We be like who you're hungry for your eye. We are paid to kill you, almost kill you.
We just tell her how much she will give us now. We'll make she go now. Reason them now.
Free waiting. Match that talk, don't talk am again. See, for clean your mouth, may you move that thing come for your mouth. What you talk? You don't pay us more, kill this small. What you do?
See, guy, her son give us 100k. To balance us 100k after we must have killed her. See, we can just correct one
And let her go now. Reason am now. Reason am now. Na sweet we dey. No, guy. Alpha guy. Wetin dey work you now? You want some money for this business? You want some money? You know my gang under paro. Why you do like this now? The pure smoke kill this woman. Alpha will go kill her. See, I want a better life. I want a good life. I'm tired of all this street life. Reason am now.
I will give you a better life, I promise you. I will make it worth your while. Just let me go, please. Let me go.
Mama, keep quiet. Keep quiet. No do our paro. Keep quiet.
Mercy. Mercy, what kept you? Did you tell them what just happened?
They're waiting. People were at the doctor, they don't even want to listen to me. They walk me out. They tell me I should do.
What did they do this people say, eh? What did they do them?
What kind of thing is this? And what level of heartlessness and carelessness is this?
God, I beg, save Mama C for us. Now, good person. God, I beg.
Mato, Onny, you see this? Now they kidnap Mama C. Now they kidnap her. Because why do they do this meander? They do like this. Now they do kidnap this woman so.
You have a point too. You may be right. Because what level of heartlessness is this?
I don't know if say it may be true. It is easy. Now what it be so that they kidnap her? I know what they talk. And them.
God, please, save Mama C. Save her from the hands of those reckless and wicked kidnappers.
See, we're not getting into one change. Alpha Jack, don't tell me that thing again where they tell me, say Alpha, more leave this woman. You hear me so? They don't pay us more kill her. We must kill her. Sure, they hear me? I don't try my reason with you. You are still on move. Are you not tired of this street life? Don't worry. My eyes there up. Sure, you won't buy the woman. Fire now. You are free. You are paid to kill her. I must kill her. Fire now. Thank you. We go kill her. And I will go do.
I don't like this at all. I thought you said these guys are professional. What's going on?
The guy is a professional. That guy is a damn demon.
So why hasn't
he called? If he says he's gonna kill, he will kill.
Why hasn't it called Raymond?
But you heard Mercy said that woman has been kidnapped.
At least that was Mercy, not the guy who carried out the event. He ought to have called or sent you a text message. Shh. Okay, then pick his call.
Hello? Oh, really? That's beautiful. You know the deal now? Exactly, you too much. Just waste that one hand.
Hey!
Child. No. This will spell doom for us now. These guys will chase us out of this house again. How? For me. Where do I go from here? Where do I go from here? How can a good woman be wasted just like that?
Auntie Mercy, you said she was kidnapped right in front of our gate.
Yes. Now in front of the gate, they kidnapped her. When I let her run inside, got there, they shooted. Uncle Anderson and Mr. Raymond and people, they not chase me out of the house. They say I should come out from their fronts.
That's the same way I announced the death of Mama C to them a few months ago, and they didn't feel any pity for her.
Sorry.
I wonder if actually they are Mama C's children. It makes me wonder.
Auntie Mercy. Mama C.
Hey! This thing, get as they do me for body.
It's okay.
Nazam.
No.
Don't do.
It's okay, yeah? No cry, yeah?
See when I see him now.
No.
You go drink tea.
What are you people trying to tell me? Are you telling me that your mother is nowhere to be found? And you guys are here demanding for your late father's will? What happens to conscience? What?
Our mother is dead.
Mama C is dead. Why am I hearing about it for the first time? Why?
We wasn't here about it. We chose to keep it away from everyone, including you.
How did she die? I mean, what killed her? I want to know. Was she sick or something?
What kind of rubbish question are you asking us? Why are you bombarding us with questions? Huh? Are you interrogating us or what?
I am her lawyer.
Huh?
I demand to know. In fact, you are taking me to the mortuary where you deposited her.
What?
Yes, I need to see her.
But it's a front. And I'll ask you once again. Are you going to?
Yes or no? Raymond, shoot this guy. Raymond, shoot. Raymond, shoot this guy. Raymond.
Shoot him.
Shoot
put it, please, put it down. Please. Put it down, please.
Hey, bring it out.
Are you sure? Are you sure this is the will?
I'm very, very sure.
Keep rocking. Come on, check and bail lawyer. Yeah. Now let's go. Let's go. Yeah, but I go.
Oh, but this is good.
Yeah.
So we finally got the will. Oh.
As you can see.
And we're going to be ready for two. Just you and I. I know they must have willed that property on Opanam Lane. The other one at Airport Lane. Okay.
Jesus.
What is it?
Oh my God.
What happened?
What is it now? This is not the way. This is rubbish.
Is it a lie? What? What are you saying? What? Community land dispute between Opanam and Iokome. What? How come? Oh my God. What kind of thing is this? Why would this lawyer do a thing like this? This is Yahoo. We've been duped. Eh? We've been duped. We should have checked this document the moment he gave it to us in that office.
Come on, let's leave it.
To where?
Let's leave it.
To have been duped.
Let's just leave it. Have you called her?
Dad, I've called her.
Okay.
She's coming.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Good day, man.
Good day, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're from Crystal Table Water, owned by Chief Wilson Okonkwo.
Let's Wilson Okonkwo.
Let's Wilson Okonkwo. So we're told that he willed his company to this orphanage home, and we want to inquire if it is true or not.
Well, as a matter of fact, let me add a flair to this question. We came to inquire why our inheritance was willed to the orphanage home, because Crystal Table Water actually belongs to us. So we want to know why.
Listen, Raymond. Hey.
Ma, do you know us?
Yes.
How?
Both of you grew up here. From this orphanage. When we were 6 months and a year and 2 months.
both of you, from Mrs. Charity, Nelson Okonkwo, aka Mama C.
Are you saying that this used to be our home?
Yes, both of you lived here. You're welcome. Are you okay?
Yes, yes. I feel so bad right now. Not only that I've lost everything Mom and Dad ever owned, including the pure water company to the motherless baby home. I am also an orphan. God.
An orphan? I don't understand this. An orphan? So who were my late parents?
We've actually failed Mom and Dad. We killed a woman who adopted us from the orphanage home and gave us life. Hi. Raymond, what have you done? What have you done, Raymond?
Do you know? I blame all of this on Kosi and Julian. We shouldn't have listened to these women. They are the center of all of this. They pushed us. They influenced us to do the unimaginable things that we shouldn't be doing.
Our wives.
Our wives, why?
Our wives killed us. They destroyed us.
You don't know how I feel. We shouldn't have listened to those women. We shouldn't have at the first place. But greed made us not to think as real men. See what these women have cost us. Our wives. We were living very happy. We loved one another until we got married and brought these women into our lives. And they tore the sacredness that existed in the family bondage.
All your mama do is just to show you love. In return, all you give is wickedness. Please change your ways before it's too late. Cause all you think about is your inheritance. The things that you do will give you no gain. Onye chunu bakwaka nwa. All the things that you do will bring you no gain. One day you will pay for your sin.
Hello, Papa. Good afternoon. Yes, I'm fine. How is Mama? Yes, we are still watching them. They said they are doing Mama C's funeral, but it's still under probability. Papa, I still can't believe that Mama C is gone. I can't believe it. Papa, you know, man has his own problem. Mama C, so her here. And so Mama C, where is she? She was standing there. God, why? Mama C. So she was standing here. I forget like this. She. Mama, see. I saw her. No, God. Why did you allow this to happen? I saw Mama say. I saw Mama say, Mama Riera. Oh, God, why? Mama say, why did you leave me so soon? Why? Oh, Mama say.
Barrister, what was that you wrote on that will? Huh? How can you play that kind of prank on two intelligent men?
What makes you think I pulled a prank on you both? To even think that both of you have the effrontery to enter my office and utter these bunkers after what you did here last time?
Hey, we don't have time for this nonsense you're saying. Why would you do that? To what end? What do you stand to gain? What was the thing that you wrote on the will saying that the water company belongs to some orphanage or some nonsense? Listen, you are beginning to bite more than you can chew.
I suggest you summon Chief Wilson's family, your wives, and your in-laws. I will be visiting him for a briefing on Saturday.
I won't have that patience to wait for you, to wait for the cock and bull story you're coming to tell. I hope if you're coming with a will. You come with a real will.
If you like, come on Friday. If you like, come on Saturday. If you like, come on Thursday and Sunday. Nobody cares. But if you come to that house, make sure you're bringing the real will to that house. We will not have the same nonsense you did the last time repeat itself again.
That nonsense you wrote there is not acceptable by me. Did you get me right?
Both of you will regret this. We shall see. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, I will thank you all who left what you are supposed to be doing to be here. I summoned this meeting because of the sudden disappearance of Mrs. Charity, her alleged kidnap, and probably murder. Here is the will.
Barrister, go ahead and read the will and stop talking all this rubbish you're talking. You're wasting our time, okay? We'll just go straight to the point.
I, Barrister Frank Ebuka Ume, I am to read Mrs. Charity Okonkwo's will as it is written here. I, Chief Mrs. Charity Okonkwo, wills Crystal Water Company and a building I own at number 65, Onyema Street, to the orphanage home.
Arrant nonsense.
Can you remove those glasses and change it if you can't see well with that one? What is wrong with you? My friend, read the will, the original will.
You're meant to be reading the real will, and not to bring some kind of script to read here. We didn't ask you to give us updates on what's going on outside the wall there. Read what is in the will, my friend.
Well, as I was reading, before I was unruly interrupted. The main building I am living, which is this very house, belongs to Zenith Bank PLC. I took a loan of 100 million to start up the water company. to Chinaza. Chinaza, you have to continue school under my scholarship up to your university level. Thank you all, and may God bless you.
You see what you cost? Can you see what you have cost? This is what you cost with your wife. This is what you cost with this woman. Otherwise, why would you come in here with this nonsense to read? Okay, your picture is not anywhere in this house. Let me not hear your voice again. See the nonsense you cost with your cooking wife. You're very stupid. Do I believe like you?
Anderson, mind your
You're mad.
Excuse you, don't even come and
See what you have.
No, tell your husband.
What is wrong with you? I was here when you shot him, came here with Keke.
Lawyer, you better bring out that thing against you because I'm not going to take you away.
Hey, you shut your mouth. I was here when you came here.
I am healthy and alive to the shame of my enemies.
Please spare my life. So this is how Mama C will die. This is how I will die. No.
Now you Mama C.
Yes.
Now you Mama C why the year is course for this environment.
I get church mind.
True.
I get church mind and they like help people. Now maybe Mama C, please.
Then you do good to everybody.
Lord, I spare my life, I beg una.
Yeah, sure.
You know, you ordered Snake and his colleague to kill me. Oh, they actually shot at me. But that was to deceive you into believing that they actually killed me. But they helped me to escape. And I traveled abroad from where I kept in touch with my lawyer here. Do not call me Mom. I am not your mother. Officer, please get them arrested.
Hey!
Oh,
you're under arrest. You cannot order the arrest of your favorite son. This is so wrong.
This is a family matter and we can settle it amongst ourselves.
And besides, with whom you were pleased.
No, do not harass me. Don't harass me.
Mama C,
As for you, officer, you better know what you do because I can sue for this. Tell her, I will sue for this. No one will treat me like this. And don't talk to me like that.
Mama C, your favorite son with whom you were pleased. You want them to take me away? Mama C, Mama C, they cannot be doing this to your favorite son with whom you were pleased. Move. Officer, this is my father's house. Mama C, move. I am your favorite son. Mama C, why would you do this to me?
Cross the door.
Move.
Mama C, welcome.
You are highly welcome. Hey, Mama C. Hey! Now I know the reason why you answer Mama C.
Yes, sir.
Mama C not be for mouth. Not be cho. You are the real Mama C.
Oh yeah. Na. Yeah. All your mama do is just to show you love. In return, all you give is wickedness. Please change your ways before it's too late. Cause all you think about is your inheritance. The things that you do will give you no gain. Oh, yet you know what all the things that you do will bring you no gain. One day you will pay for your sins. Oh, mama, she loves you very much. She's hoping that you will change for better. Can she wait forever? She cannot wait forever. You will need to change your ways. Yeah, you do will give you no gain. Oh, yet you know what all the things that you okay. Onye chunu bakwakamwa. All the things that you do will bring you no gain. One day you will pay for your sins. Oh.